मैं एकदम बिंदास टाइप का लड़का था, किसी चीज़ से डरता नहीं था. तो ऐसे ये एटीट्यूड से कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी हुई.
So did you get trolled after your first gig?
थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन वाले मोड में जा रहा था. You won't believe it. Okay, I think I started my set और उसके 1 घंटे बाद जो 1100 लोग थे ना, सिर्फ 300 बचे थे. अगर कोई देख भी रहे ना हाय अली, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि यार ये मेरी ले रहा है.
Oh my God.
नहीं, मुझे हिम्मत नहीं थी उनसे मिलने का. मैं सीधा अपने आपको बाथरूम में जाके बंद कर दिया. मतलब बंद होगा तब बताना मैं बाहर होगा. I started not getting too many good shows. Per days were going down suddenly.
So what is the reason it didn't work for you?
Maybe
you can't blame yourself completely.
मैं cringe हरकतें करने लग रहा हूँ.
You really think so? DJs are very well paid, and you are getting paid because you are Ali Merchant. Are you into DJing for passion, for fame, success, or money? Will they give you that kind of chance what they gave you for the Bollywood commercial music?
Okay.
अगर ये सब cut off हो गया, then where do you stand? Role of your lifetime in acting and DJing. Tell me.
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है is which I did in 2009. That gave 2008-2009. That gave me a lot of global recognition.
How did your family and friends react when you told them that you want to transition into a DJ?
I come from a very religious, conservative Muslim family. I started going to DJ Akhtar's gig. I went to DJ Suketu's gig. I went to Akbar Sami's gig. I went to DJ Akil's gig. I went to all the DJs that time, Chetas. I went to all the DJs gigs जहाँ से मैं इनसे थोड़ा लूँ कुछ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ. I performed and opened DJ Snake, or I did some 18 city tour with Guru Randhawa, or I opened Diljit Dosanjh.
Joining us on the Ripple Reach podcast is a truly versatile talent who has made waves in not one, but 2 dynamic industries. From captivating audiences on television screens with his remarkable acting in popular TV serials to now ruling the DJ world with his music. Ali Merchant is a force to reckon with. His journey from an actor to a celebrated DJ is nothing short of inspiring, and we can't wait to hear all about it. Ali, we are so excited to have you here. Welcome on my show.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be on. I'm very excited to be here as well, and I'm very, very excited. What's this podcast going to be all about?
Oh yes, we have a lot of questions for you,
Yeah.
and I just hope you answer
Dil
from
se?
here.
वो
Dil se,
वही
yes,
करता हूँ.
absolutely.
दिल वाला बंदा हूँ.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me something about your personal life. Where are you from?
मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ.
Oh, you're a proper Bombay.
I'm a Bombayite. I am from Bandra, born, brought up, school, college. लेकिन ऐसा लगता है ना बैंड्रा सुने तो वो सच अ कूल गाय, वो तो हूँ मैं. पर वी वर स्टेइंग इन अ स्मॉल हाउस. 300 फुट का घर था हमारा.
Okay.
और हम 10 जन रहते थे. 300 square feet, 10 people staying in that 300 square feet house.
This is when?
I was born, brought up, school, college till the age of 19-20. और फिर मैंने स्ट्रगल शुरू की, and then things worked out, और then I got a house, and then I shifted, and that's
And which school did you go to?
I was in
college?
Aloysius in Bandra, Mount
Okay.
Mary's. College again was Nationals again in Bandra.
Okay.
तो I think 18-19 साल तक मैं Bandra से बाहर ही नहीं निकला था, because as you know जो Bandra में रहते हो वहीं रहते हो, उनको पसंद ही नहीं है. अंधेरी I think मैंने 20 साल की उम्र में देखा था. So yeah, that's what it was.
So what were you doing exactly after you passed out from college?
After I passed out, my first job was a call center.
Oh.
Okay, I was working in a call center. वहाँ पे 2 महीने की ट्रेनिंग ली, पैसे लिए और गोवा चला गया.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि गोवा जाना था, घूमना था, and we were not that well to do. We were from a lower middle class family. To be able to afford and go for holidays. तो जो भी करना था मुझे ही करना था. और staying in Bandra, the unfortunate thing was कि मेरे जितने भी दोस्त थे वो सारे बहुत अमीर थे. So एक होता है ना उस एज में, अरे यार I'm feeling little down, low. बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ऐसे होता है, मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ था. पर anyways, तो मैं खुले दिल का था, मौज मस्ती वाला था, तो I was like चलो यार अब कम काम कर लिया, अभी गोवा भागते. तो गोवा चला गया, and then I got back. Again I joined another call center. Then again I left that. फिर ऐसा करते करते then suddenly I went for an audition, and I got through that first audition itself.
Okay.
And वहाँ से फिर acting की journey शुरू हुई.
Which year is this?
Okay, this is 2006 is when I started my acting career. So that's a long time.
Yeah.
And 2007 was my first lead. It was me and Ayushmann Khurrana. And obviously mid show he left the show. He got a huge better opportunity. and I continued with television. So that's how it started.
Nice. So over the years, you worked on some iconic shows. Which project or role do you feel shaped your career as an actor?
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि एक्चुअली हर प्रोजेक्ट शेप्ड माई सेल्फ बेटर एंड बेटर एज एन एक्टर बट ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है इज विच आई डिड इन 2009 दैट गेव 2008-2009 दैट गेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ global recognition.
That's a very big show, right?
was
I
a-
don't watch much of television serials, but I've heard about this
Yeah,
show.
that's a big show. Hina Khan and a lot of
Okay.
well-known actors have been a part of that show. So I think that shaped me. That gave me that major recognition from television. That was back in 2009, and then 2011 I quit acting in television.
2009.
2009.
But as I feel acting is something, where so many people want to become actors. They travel, to Mumbai to become actors. So when everything was already going so well for you, you were doing great for yourself as an actor, why would you leave acting and,
Get into
become
DJ?
a DJ? Yeah.
यार एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था ना टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे नहीं छोड़ना था एक्टिंग आई लव एक्टिंग ओके I now I got back but obviously we'll get back to that later. I'm waiting for my film. I just finished a film but back in then उस टाइम पे ना कभी भी ऐसा टैलेंट मैनेजर या एजेंसी या वो लोग नहीं थे जो आपको गाइड करे कि आपको एक इमेज बनाना है, आपको एक प्रोटोकॉल रखना है, आपको बाउंड्रीज रखनी है, आपको चीज़ें रखनी है जो आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करे. वो नहीं पता था. मैं एकदम बिंदास टाइप का लड़का था. किसी चीज़ से डरता नहीं था. तो ऐसे ये एटीट्यूड से बहुत बार बहुत गलतियाँ हुई और वही गलतियों से कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी हुई. और फिर जब एक कंट्रोवर्सी आपके आपकी लाइफ में आ जाती है देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट बिकॉज लोगों को होता है ना कि एक बास्केट में अगर आप 10 एप्पल रखते हो, अगर 9 अच्छे एप्पल है, एक रॉटन एप्पल दैट विल स्पॉइल द एंटायर नाइट, राइट? सो द सेम थिंग हैपेंड कि मुझसे एक गलती होगी और मेरे बाकी के जो 30-35 शोज या जो भी मैंने काम किया इट जस्ट गॉट वॉश्ड अवे एंड देन दिस वाज हाँ अली इज दिस कंट्रोवर्शियल फिगर. कुछ गलती हो गई थी मुझसे इन अ रियलिटी शो जो मुझे नहीं करनी थी. होता है ना कि लेट 30s में हमें हमारी अर्ली 20s की बेवकूफ़ियाँ समझ में आती हैं, सो वो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. एग्जैक्टली. तो तब रियलाइज नहीं था एंड देन आई वाज लाइक कि यार मुझे एंड देन I started not getting too many good shows. Per days were going down suddenly. Work
Because of that?
because of that.
Seriously?
काम नहीं आने लगा, अच्छा काम नहीं आने लगा, तो मैं थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन वाले मोड में जा रहा था. बहुत स्ट्रांगली, बहुत हैवीली. आई फेल्ट दैट यार कोई है नहीं मेरा. एवरीथिंग इज बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स lot of actors are delusional, lot of artists are delusional, they live in a denial, पर तब मुझे लगता था कि probably I am the one who is wrong. I was, you get very negative inside and it started hampering my health. It started hampering my life. I didn't know which direction to go to. My personal life was getting ruined all the time. So I wanted to, leave everything, get into something which could be more like a performing artist. तो फिर मेरा तब एक दोस्त होता था DJ Alex, very well known Alex DJ, और कॉलेज में एक ही दोस्त था मेरा. तो मैं उसे देखता था and I used to be like यार ये तो बढ़िया काम है, I think maybe I could do that. पर वो करने से पहले I joined a chemical company where I was the vice president sales. I was working as a vice president sales for a company and I used to travel 8 hours, 4 hours going, 8 hours work, 4 hours coming back.
And where was this?
This was in Badlapur, which is very far. और मैं already थोड़ा सा known था तो मैं ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता था ट्रेन में, बस में, मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता था तो मैं गाड़ी में ही जाता था. तो while I used to travel, I used to listen to a lot of international radio sets.
Okay.
बहुत सारे अलग, और तब Sunburn भी obviously 2007-8 में आया था तो I used to listen to a lot. तो मुझे मज़ा आने लगा. I used to like the whole idea of being on stage, spreading joy, making people dance. For me that is all what DJing is all about. But there are too many things again, which obviously we'll talk about later. फिर वहाँ से 2 साल
This is
मैंने
2008 we are talking about.
This we are talking about 2012.
2012.
12.
But this is around, as you said, the whole controversy which brought you down. This
Yes.
is post that,
This
right?
is post that. This is post the controversy that happened. That happened in 2010.
Okay.
2011, I was jobless. I had no work. 2012, I was jobless. 2012 end, I decided that no, you know what, I need to take care of my family. You know, I have EMIs to pay because by then I'd already got a house for myself and for my family. You know, and I was like, I don't care about anything right now. Survival is the key. Yeah. So then I spoke to a friend. I told him कि यार मुझे लगता है कि मैं मार्केटिंग और सेल्स में अच्छा हूँ, तो मुझे जॉब दे दे. तो उसने मुझे जॉब दिया एंड देन सो फॉर 1.5 year मेकिंग सो मच ऑफ सिक्योर्ड इनकम. आई वाज लाइक कि बॉस इतना तो मैं टेलीविजन में भी नहीं कमाता था उस टाइम पर, यू नो. फिर आई वाज लाइक यार नहीं हो रहा मुझसे ये, यू नो, फ्रस्ट्रेशन स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन. Then while I was listening to radio sets and then I started, you know, knowing more about DJing as a career. How's it gonna be, you know, how do I get into it, you know, what are the steps to become an artist in that manner. फिर वहाँ से I started learning DJing at Akhil Talreja Party Map. You know, is where I learned DJing. But then there you know, आप कभी सीखते नहीं हो, आपको सीखते रहना पड़ता है लाइफ लॉन्ग, you know. तो वहाँ से फिर जर्नी शुरू हुई.
So you already answered my next question, where I wanted to ask you what triggered, you know, your love for DJing, and you know, what is that moment when you actually realize? So yeah, you've already answered that. You said you've learned DJing from Akhil Talreja. I think he's
From Party Map.
Party Map. But that's great. I know Akhil, and I played some of his music. I think he's great. He's
Yeah, he's a lovely boy.
You know, I would say he's got some of his music has got some desi vibe, you know, which I
Right,
love
right,
it. When I
yeah.
know I have to like put some energy, I start playing his music.
Correct.
So great. That's a great journey. But Ali, you started DJing in which year exactly?
2015 is when I did my first gig.
2015, you did your first gig.
Yes.
Can you tell us about your first gig?
Oh my God.
And what is that feeling all about? How did you get it?
So because I've been an actor, so honestly, it wasn't very difficult to crack my first show. It was easy, to be honest. You
But
know?
who helped you out with the first show?
Rich Boys. Rich Boys
Boys.
Entertainment. I spoke to them. I told them that ऐसा है और मुझे करिए, लेकिन चलो we'll give you a show, you know. And that show was, I think, on a Tuesday or a Wednesday at a place in South Bombay, and there were 1,200 people.
What place is that?
Alibi.
Alibi.
There were 1,200 people when
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday, and usually on a Tuesday there are not even 30 people.
And why were there so many people? Because
Because
you were playing, or was there some
because
occasion?
I was playing.
Oh,
You know, it was my launch
nice.
gig. So there were a lot of actors who came to support me. There are a lot of people who came to support me. Yeah, and I was nervous to another level.
Okay.
I was sweating to another level. Okay, and you won't believe it. Okay, I think I started my set, और उसके 1 घंटे बाद जो 1100 लोग थे ना, सिर्फ 300 बचे थे. I was so bad.
Seriously?
I was so bad.
Oh my God.
I was like, oh my God, ये क्या हो रहा है? Because
What genre were you
I
playing?
was doing Bollywood, mainstream, you know.
So you straight away started with Bollywood.
I don't remember what all I played also, to be honest. But I know कि I tried my best. ठीक है, जो आपको सिखाया गया था, जो आपको, you know, आपके साथ जो आपकी टीम है, जो आपको वो टीम हेल्प करती है, you know, वैसी टाइप की आपकी शुरुआत होती है. And it was horrible, to be honest.
Oh
It
my
was
God.
horrible. I was like, यार भाई, अब मुझे, and जब भी मेरे साथ ऐसा है ना कि अगर मुझे कोई बोलता है ना you're bad, तो मुझे बहुत हर्ट होता है, तो मैं उसमें और मेहनत करता हूँ.
Obviously.
You know? And I wanted to take it more positively. I knew that there'll be people who'll talk about blah 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 blah, you know. पर मुझे उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था, क्योंकि मैं ये भी नहीं मानता हूँ कि यार जो पॉपुलर होता है लोग उनकी बात करते हैं. मेरी ये थ्योरी नहीं है. मेरी ये थ्योरी है कि it's not important to be popular, it's important to be good.
Yeah.
You know, my theories in life has always been कि यार forget being popular, money, they're all byproducts for me. Being good is very important. Then I started really working hard on my skills, on art.
But I have to interrupt you and ask you, when you went behind the console,
The first gig.
yes, the first gig, and you saw so many people, were you trembling? Were you nervous? What is it? What is that feeling?
My whole t-shirt was wet. I was wearing a suit. I was wearing a grey suit with some V-neck t-shirt. Okay,
Oh my God.
being accessorizing myself in the
Was there
most.
somebody with you? Somebody?
I had a team,
Uh-huh.
okay, who helped me a lot, and
How are you playing? USB computer?
USB. I've always learned on the USB. I
Oh, that's
didn't want to get
amazing.
into the
Yeah, good.
laptop DJing format. With all due respect, but
Yeah.
I wanted to get into directly कि यार
Yeah.
क्योंकि
Good,
I
good.
wanted to keep my hands free
Of course.
and perform
Yes.
and enjoy myself as well. But वो हुआ नहीं और फिर मुझे सबने ही बोला कि यार वो रहने दे यार.
So then, how much time did the crowd start vanishing?
To be honest मैंने ऊपर ही नहीं देखा. तो I am playing, मैं देख ही नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसे था प्ले कर रहा हूँ. पसीना आ रहा है.
Oh my God.
फिर एकदम फुल नर्वस हूँ, मतलब अलग लेवल ऑफ सब मुझे अगर कोई देख भी रहा है ना हाई अली तो मुझे लग रहा है कि यार ये मेरी ले रहा है.
Oh my God.
So I became like
So how many hours did you perform?
2.5 hours.
तो जो 300 लोग बचे थे,
हाँ.
उनका क्या हुआ?
नहीं मुझे हिम्मत नहीं थी उनसे मिलने का. मैं सीधा अपने आपको बाथरूम में जाके बंद कर दिया. मतलब बंद होगा तब बताना मैं बाहर आऊँगा.
But tell me something. Do you feel the crowd actually didn't enjoy music? Because Bollywood has got very limited songs. Like we as DJs,
Yes,
we
yes.
play very limited.
Correct.
So what do you think and why do you think it didn't work for you?
I think my mixing was a problem that time. My
your body
song
language?
selection was a problem. My body language was 100% showing that he's nervous as hell. You know.
But how does your song selection go wrong when you have a team, right? When you're coming from academy, didn't they help you?
They did help me, पर कैसा होता है ना कि कभी कभी when you're on there at the gig, you cannot expect to go as per things that are already pre-planned, you know, and that is exactly the wrong direction that I started off with. But it helped me in just one way, in making me realize that Ali, you need to really work hard, and you need to give that much of time. Then I started giving, making
But is
theories.
that the lesson you learned from it? That you need to work hard? Don't you think a team, if you had proper guidance, see, I don't want to be nasty or
No,
rude, but when you have a good team, you're coming from academy like that, who've played, they have, I've been to Academy for a session. I just feel when you have such a good guiding force, they can help you plan the set, right?
Correct.
So why didn't that happen with you?
No, that happened. I'm telling you that happened. In
So
my
what is
first
the
show.
reason it didn't work for you?
Maybe
you can't blame yourself completely. right?
see कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो फिर आपको ही मेहनत करनी है. Is what I realized
Exactly.
with time.
So this
You
you've
know,
learned, right?
This I've learned for sure.
Yeah.
कि if you want to become big, you need to know everything. Like how we deliver dialogues effortlessly. The same way, everything needs to go effortlessly.
You have to do your own homework.
You need to do a lot of homework.
Yes.
But I was in that mindset. Others will do homework for me. ठीक है ना? कोई stress नहीं. नाम है मुझे ज़्यादा पैसे मिल जाएंगे मैं थोड़ा ये दे दूँगा. So I started off in those on those lines. So my start was only wrong. I
Who
felt.
do you blame? Like
Myself.
50% or 50% them
I
as
blame
well?
myself completely. I didn't want to blame anyone because I knew कि अगर मैं successful होऊंगा तो सिर्फ मैं ही फायदे में हूँ. तो मैं किसी को क्या blame करूँगा?
No, yeah. I mean, I somehow don't agree to this because see, if you're coming from an academy, I feel it's their duty to guide you in the right manner, to teach you not only about performance but 10 other things.
No, 100%. I agree.
Body language,
I agree.
your interaction with the crowd. This is what the academies actually should be teaching.
I agree, but probably the one who was the teacher, he himself was just someone who had not done gigs. Couple of guys. But ठीक है, उन लोगों ने मुझे सिखाया. But at the end of the day, क्या माइकिंग करनी है, क्या चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, वो थोड़ा कुछ नहीं सिखाया. वो मुझे खुद ही मैंने अपना स्ट्रगल शुरू किया फिर.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद की कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है.
Okay.
कि how I started listening to every DJ possible. I started going to DJ Akhtar's gig. I went to DJ Suketu's gig. I went to Akbar Sami's gig. I went to DJ Akil's gig. I went to all the DJs that time, Chetas. I went to all the DJs gigs जहाँ से मैं इनसे थोड़ा लूँ कुछ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ, इनसे थोड़ा लूँ. And then I started working on myself because I realized कि आप किसी भी काम में आपको देने हैं 4-5 हज़ार घंटे. अगर आप 4-5 हज़ार घंटे दोगे किसी काम पे तो ही आप उस काम में माहिर बन सकते हो. फिर भी आपकी स्टडी ख़त्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपकी लिसनिंग ख़त्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपका रिसर्च ख़त्म नहीं होना चाहिए, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी ख़त्म नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो एंड टीम कैसी थी शुरुआत में ओह हाँ ये टीम है, पर आज जो टीम है वो और उस टीम में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. आज जो लोग हैं वो और उन लोगों में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैं खुद बहुत ग्रो हो चुका हूँ विद I'll complete 10 years next year in DJing.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So मुझे एक बात बताओ, when that gig didn't happen well, So did you get trolled after your first gig?
You know, to be honest, I was very surprised. I wasn't trolled after my first gig. In fact, I had a lot of. I've always been very cool and humble and chilled out, and you know, I've always had this habit of. I like talking to talented people. You know, may it be residents or may it be whoever. You know, I love talking to them because they know something more than me.
Of course.
So definitely they're better than me. Now,
Yeah.
if I need to get better than them, I need to get everything out
Totally.
and to be the best version of myself only with their help. You know, तो ऐसा करते करते बहुत सारे लोग थे जिनको पता था कि यार चलो अली को सपोर्ट करते, शायद हमारा कुछ भला हो जाए. You know, ऐसा करते करते एक टीम लोग मेरे पास आने लगे, मिलने लगे. You know, then I was like कि चलो यार मुझे हेल्प करो. You know, make me better. Then there were a lot of other DJs. They were like, and there were DJs who helped me, who pushed me, you know, helped my skills to get better, explained me music theory. I started getting more and more detailed into it. I was like कि चलो एक काम करता हूँ, पहले मुझे थोड़ा अपने आप को as a you know DJ skillful और बना दो, बाकी चीज़ें बाद में आ जाएगी. एक step by step करते. फिर सेकेंड शो हुआ, थर्ड शो हुआ. You know, after I started listening to a lot of well-known senior DJs. फिर मैं देखने लगा कि यार मुझसे क्या गलतियाँ हो रही है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. देन एक स्टाइल आपका आने लगता है, वो स्टाइल आने लगा और वो स्टाइल ने मुझे इंस्टेंट ट्रेंड में ले आया. यू नो, सो आई यूज्ड टू यूज अ लॉट ऑफ डायलॉग्स. ये रात तबाही की है, आज तबाही मचाते हैं. यू नो, तबाही वाज दिस वर्ड वेयर पीपल यूज्ड टू कॉल मी, अरे तबाही आ गया, तबाही अली आ गया. यू नो, कहीं ना कहीं एक सूडो नेम जब आपके साथ अटैच होता है तो इट जस्ट गिव्स यू अ बिट ऑफ अ पुश हर जगह पे. यू नो, इज व्हाट आई रियलाइज. फिर तबाही के नाम पे ही एल्बम्स आए, टूर्स आए, सारी चीज़ें बाद में आने लगी. I kind of didn't get trolled, but there were a few intelligent, smart DJs जिनसे मैं बात करता था, who were like exact mirror images. You know, they're not very well known, they're all underground people. तो वहाँ से मुझे लगा कि यार मैं क्रिंज हरकतें करने लग रहा हूँ. You know what I mean? कि यार ये ट्रेंड में तो मैं आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है, ये लोग जब मैं आता हूँ तो लोग चाहते हैं मैं वो डायलॉग बोलूँ, तो वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए मज़ेदार होता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम आई जस्ट फील कि यार ये बड़ा, आई डोंट वांट टू बी एन ओवररेटेड डीजे. You know, I started feeling कि यार ये मैं नहीं हूँ. I want to keep it very I want to be tight in music. I want to be music oriented. I don't want to be a face oriented artist or someone who's just doing some harkate on social media and then being in trend for that matter. But it happened with me. लेकिन I snapped out of it. I think it took me a couple of years at least to snap out of it, to realize it. You know, because I realized कि what is important is your music, your skills, your talent. You know, limited your own aura, your own style, not being too available, lot of things, lot of चीज़ें, you know, not having too much of a pleasing type of an attitude. बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अपने आप पर काम करने लगी जो पहले नहीं थी. I think इसी को evolvement कहते हैं कि आप evolve हो रहे हो एक career में.
You learned it on your own with your own
I learned it
right?
on my
Nobody
own shows.
taught you.
Nobody taught me.
So for how many months did you dedicate yourself to learn DJing?
6 months I dedicated myself to
Completely?
DJing. Completely.
Yeah.
क्योंकि यार अगर आप पूरा डेडिकेशन नहीं दोगे ना तो आप नहीं सीखोगे. लेकिन 6 महीने बाद भी मैं सीखा नहीं.
But did you get a setup at home or used to go to party map?
No, I didn't get a setup at home. Setup actually came in a very nice way. 2018 में मेरा न्यू ईयर था, कैंसिल हो गया था. You know, so last moment. And then instead of the money, I took off the console. So yeah, so I was like, okay, chalo, I have the setup.
Wow.
So,
That's nice.
yeah, ऐसे पैसे आते तो खर्च हो जाते. Maybe, you know, God wanted me to have that at home and then practice. So that happened. So then I had the console.
So you know, while we are talking, मुझे इतने questions आ रहे हैं ना दिमाग में. I'm just hoping I don't forget these questions.
जी.
How did your family and friends react when you know you told them that you want to transition into a DJ? What is the reaction?
You know, to be honest,
Positive, negative?
to be honest, initially it was negative. To be
Why?
honest,
Why
because
negative?
I come from a very
Conservative.
religious, conservative Muslim family. Okay, where my mom wears a hijab.
Oh.
My parents have never gone to a club. They've never been to a bar. You know, so they have no idea what that is. तो मैं उन्हें ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करता था कि मम्मी देखो, मैं अगर बार में प्ले कर रहा हूँ तो मैं थिएटर कर रहा हूँ. मैं अगर एक क्लब में प्ले कर रहा हूँ तो मैं एक बालाजी की मूवी कर रहा हूँ. मैं अगर कॉन्सर्ट कर रहा हूँ तो मैं एक यश राज की फिल्म या रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म
That's
कर
how
रहा
you told her?
हूँ. That's how I explain them कि ये ऐसा होता है. They're like, okay, ठीक है. You know, so then I had to keep explaining them every time because you know, we are night masters, right? So then being
But
awake
were
in the
they
night.
supportive once you told
They
them?
were supportive. They knew that you know, he'll do something or the other, but they always wanted me to get back to acting. Always, you know, they've always wanted कि यार नहीं यार तू acting में आ जा, acting में आ जा. But then you know, they somewhere knew that you know, the decision that I'll take will always be the right decision. I won't take any loose decisions, you know. And they could see me working very hard. They could see me locking myself in the room and listening to music, listening to sets, listening to other artists, constantly working on myself. So they were all supportive. I think every parent is supportive अगर वो देख रहे कि यार आपका बेटा या बेटी dedicatedly किसी चीज़ पर काम कर रहा है.
How about your friends? Did they take you lightly, or they were like, okay, Ali, Mala, theek hai, another thing he's trying?
Actually, few actor friends, yes, they did. Maybe they actually lightly तो नहीं. They were like, अरे अब DJ बन गया. You know, that type of a feel. But I never used to say anything. कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा ऐसा hurt होता था कि you know, होता है ना कि यार अगर आप एक टेलीविजन एक्टर हो, ठीक है, और मेरे सारे टेलीविजन एक्टर दोस्त थे.
I would say an actor.
एक्टर ठीक है, यू नो कि बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं, नो डाउट, बट हु आर डूइंग टेलीविजन मेनली. तो उनको अरे यार डीजे है ना, ठीक है, डीजे है ना, ठीक है. बट देन आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, दिस इंडस्ट्री, और तब डीजेस की इतनी वैल्यू नहीं थी इंडिया में खास करके, यू नो. सो आई स्टार्टेड फिगरिंग आउट कि यार कैसे वैल्यू अपनी बढ़ाए, कैसे चीज़ें करें. देन समवन टोल्ड मी नहीं यार, रीमिक्सेस करना चाहिए, नहीं मैशअप्स करना चाहिए, यू नो, खुद के गाने आने चाहिए, खुद को बड़ा करना चाहिए, वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन. 3-4 साल लगे मुझे. I think till 2018-19, 4 years was a big struggle for me, but I kept working so hard. And then bigger projects started coming in कि वही सारे दोस्त मुझे बोलते थे यार गेस्ट लिस्ट में डाल दे, टेबल में डाल दे, you know, where I performed and opened DJ Snake, or I did some 18 city tour with Guru Randhawa, or I opened Diljit Dosanjh, or a lot of artists, you know, Nuclear or Ritwiz. तो लोग देखने लगे कि नहीं यार, ही इज़ गेटिंग बेटर. तो होता है ना, उड़ते सूरज को ही लोग सलाम करते. तो एक परसेप्शन आपका बदलने लगा, दूसरे लोगों के सामने भी परसेप्शन बदलने लगा. आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग बेटर इनटू म्यूजिक. यू नो, माय एवरी सेट यूज्ड टू बी डिफरेंट. थोड़ी चेंजेस करने लगता था. बट ऐसा नहीं कि यार कल भी ये बजा दिया, परसों भी ये बजा दिया, आज भी ये बजा दिया, यू नो. तो आई थिंक वो हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन लोग भी देखने लगे. सो दैट ऑल स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग.
So do you actually sit and download your own music, or you have a team doing that?
No, I do that.
You
I
do
download
that.
my own music. Absolutely.
You listen to every
I
track,
listen
because
to
that's
every
important.
track. I probably because
Make your own sets?
I make my own sets.
Do
Absolutely.
you take help from anybody?
Not
क्या
anymore.
चल रहा है? No. Earlier.
Earlier I used to because I felt कि यार मुझे पता ही नहीं कि कहाँ से डाउनलोड करना
Yes,
है.
yes.
अब मुझे सारी चीज़ें पता है. बट मैं हमेशा पूछा यार ये कैसे किया, कहाँ से किया. आई थिंक क्वेश्चनिंग हेल्प्ड मी बीइंग सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट, दैट नाउ आई डोंट नीड एनीवन.
What I can gauge from your conversation is you had that hunger, you know, that I have to do something, कुछ करना है. Secondly, मुझे आप में ego नहीं लगी, you know, which is a, you know, perception of an actor.
Correct.
कि यार ये तो actor है, you know, इसमें attitude होगा. I mean, that's what I'm feeling,
Exactly.
that you didn't have that.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
You know, so you had that hunger. I have to prove myself. नहीं हुआ तो मुझे और करना है, right? And that's amazing, Ali.
Thank
I mean, it doesn't look like looking at you that this is what you must be like. But again, this podcast is all about getting to know the real person, right?
Correct.
Because people need to know
The raw.
where exactly you're coming from. You
Right.
know, is Ali Merchant really what we see? That glamour, that energy, you know, what we see. Or there's a struggle behind it.
Right.
And because we are actors, you know, लोगों का एक impression होता है कि इन लोगों को तो बहुत easily सब कुछ मिल जाता
सही
है.
बात है.
Right?
चीज़ें सही है कि इजीली चीज़ें मिल जाती है, अटेंशन मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
लेकिन एज आई सेड, पॉपुलर डजंट मीन you're good.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to be good, you need to work very hard, because
Yeah.
what's popular today will not be popular tomorrow. You know, if you want to be good, then you can be popular all your life.
Yeah, absolutely. So tell me, acting and DJing are both forms of performances,
Ji.
but very different in nature.
Right.
What do you enjoy most about DJing compared to being an actor?
Oh, the money. The money. I think mashallah, touchwood, आज जिस position में मैं हूँ, I would probably touchwood making more money than any biggest of television stars. You know, so I feel कि I am very happy in the profession that I am in. and it's a 10 times bigger industry than even Bollywood for that matter. You know कि अगर आप for example अगर दो लोग एक थिएटर में जाते हैं तो आपका कितना खर्चा होता है, 1,000 रुपये 1,500 रुपये, लेकिन दो लोग अगर एक मूवी के लिए एक क्लब में जाते हैं तो 4,000 5,000. You know, so that's how you calculate, right? कि अगर एक क्लब है वो रोज हर महीने ब्लॉकबस्टर दे रहा है, हर साल ब्लॉकबस्टर दे रहा है. So it's a way bigger industry with a lot of competition. So
but you're getting paid well is because
the projects are good, yeah.
okay.
You know,
So you don't really miss acting?
I miss acting if the projects are good. Once again, now I don't miss acting. Like I keep getting a lot of television offers. Nothing against television. Television made me what I am then, not now. But it removed me also when I was really good. You know, so I have nothing. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि ओ हाँ मैं टीवी की वजह से हूँ, नहीं मैं जो हूँ डीजेइंग की वजह से हूँ. You know, और मैं जो हूँ अपने वजह से हूँ. So I don't want to give credit to TV or anybody for that matter. I think
It's an important question.
जी.
I want to interrupt. As you said, you love the money part, the way you get paid in DJing
जी.
industry, right?
जी.
You really think so? DJs are very well paid, and you are getting paid because you are Ali Merchant. Don't you think so?
ना you got me on a spot. या मुझे पता है ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ definitely because
you're Ali Merchant, you get
because
paid.
I have a face value is why I'm getting a little more paid, you know, much more paid actually from compared to a lot of people who are very very talented. But I'll tell you something, it is also about change of attitude. Okay. What I mean to say is कि बहुत सा जो मेरा पहला एटीट्यूड था और जो अब है दोनों में बहुत फ़र्क है. You know, पहले ऐसे था कि यार मुझे लोगों को प्लीज़ करना पसंद था, अरे यार ओनर से दोस्ती, इससे दोस्ती, उससे दोस्ती, आज भी है दोस्ती है, सब कुछ है, पर इट वॉज अ लिटिल मोर शोइंग कि यार मुझे ज़रूरत है ना. बाकी चीज़ों पे मैं ध्यान नहीं देता था उस वक्त, है ना, म्यूज़िक चीज़ें जो इम्पोर्टेंट, पर इस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता था, सोशलाइजिंग पे, नेटवर्किंग पे, है ना, ये क्लब जाओ, ये ओनर से मिलो,
That's
वो
very
क्लब जाओ.
important networking as well.
I agree, but I think अब today I'm in a zone, maybe since a couple of years I came into that zone where I don't want to network. I don't want to meet people. Right now I have 12 cats at home. I have 2 dogs at home. Okay, my wife's an animal rescuer. I enjoy spending time with them than spending time
That's
with
sweet.
anybody where I am not going to get anything, but it's just going to be some sort of selfish need. हाँ अली आता है तो उसके साथ में और भी 10 लोग आते हैं,
Party करो,
पार्टी
ये
करो,
करो,
ये करो, वो करो. I don't want to do that. I refuse that life anymore. And that has helped me evolve into music.
That's
That has helped me spend more time, give more time into what is making me better. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो यूनिटी अगर आर्टिस्टों में होती ना तो फिर यू वुड बी रूलिंग एंड यू वुड, बिकॉज आप है, आपकी वजह से चीज़ें चलती है, लोग आते हैं और भी बहुत सारे एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स है, लेकिन आपका मेन बेस है, यू आर द मेन गाइज हु इज प्लेइंग द म्यूजिक, हु इज एंटरटेनिंग, हु इज ब्रिंगिंग इन जॉय टू एवरीबडी, यू नो. तो आप इसके अलावा 10 चीज़ों में आप अगर बिजी रहोगे, लोगों की चाटोगे, ये करोगे, और यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, वो सब हरकतों से आपको काम नहीं मिलेगा. आपको 10,000 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे, लेकिन आप 10,000 छोड़ो, आप में टैलेंट है 1 करोड़ कमाने का.
Again, the same question.
जी.
Is the money part. Like, you like DJing because of the money part.
Right.
Are you into DJing for passion, for fame, success, or money?
I think
Be very honest. Please.
I'll be very honest. Money, definitely. I am for the money. I am, to be honest, first for the money. Reason being is because I know the potential DJs have.
Okay.
You know, and Chetas, for example,
Yes.
you know, the amount of money, touchwood, mashallah, he's taken himself too with his fantastic team, is something I respect. You know, and I know कि वो कर सकते तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ यार.
But Ali Chetas is coming from a very financially. I don't know him personally, and what I've heard of him is he does have a very secure financial and a stable financial background.
Right.
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 Now there are a lot of aspiring DJs who don't have that.
Correct.
To have such a, you got it easy because you're Ali Merchant.
Correct.
Okay, not. And any aspiring DJ can have or dream of such a huge team,
Right.
or someone to show that kind of faith in them. तो
Correct.
उनके लिए उस लेवल पर पहुंचना, उतना डिमांड करना, उतना ड्रीम भी करना, it's a very
Correct.
big thing.
I agree.
Right.
I agree.
I am very happy the fact that you say that. Of course, you were there for money because it takes courage to own up to this.
Correct.
So, I
But
think-
probably I wouldn't say this 5 years back.
Yeah.
बट नाउ आई नो कि ऑल्सो होता है ना कि पिछले एक साल की अगर मैं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताऊँ, अब की बात करता हूँ कि because there are a lot of new DJs who've come in, you know, हम तो 10 साल पहले आए, there are a lot of genres, 2018, 19, especially 2021, 22, suddenly you see a lot of young
Plenty,
DJs,
yes.
plenty of
Yeah.
them going on, you
Yeah.
know, and coming into the market all of a sudden कि यार ये कौन है, ये कौन है, ये कौन है, you know, some are fantastic, some are just social media DJs, some are overrated, some are underrated, you know, बहुत सारी patterns आप देख रहे हो all of a sudden since past 4 years, because the venues have also come up, बहुत सारी जगह भी खुल गई है. तो वाइल दिस इज गोइंग ऑन, अगर इस वक्त मैं नेटवर्किंग के बारे में सोचूं एक साल से, बीइंग वर्किंग मे बी 800 शो करने के बाद में अगर अब भी नेटवर्किंग के बारे में सोचूंगा, तो देन आई एम लाइक कि यार आई एम द मोस्ट इनसिक्योर पर्सन.
Yeah.
आई एम नेवर इनसिक्योर इन माई लाइफ, यू
You
नो.
reach that place where
हाँ, बट मेरे लिए मेहनत अभी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि these guys are damn good. Some of them are better than me also,
Of
you know.
course.
But I know that how can I make myself better? My competition is myself. My competition is that यार पिछले साल अगर मेरे पास में 10,000 गाने थे एग्जाम्पल, तो इस साल मेरे पास 14,000 गाने, मैंने इतने गाने और सुन लिए हैं. यू नो, इतनी जॉनर्स और सुन लिए, इतने सब जॉनर्स और सुन लिए, इतने गानों पे मैंने ऑलरेडी और काम कर लिया है. इफ आई डोंट डू दैट, देन आई एम नॉट ग्रोइंग माई सेल्फ,
Yeah.
यू नो. एंड द रीजन वाई आई सेड चेतस इज बिकॉज आई नो कि हाँ, वो अगर उतना पैसे कमा सकता है टचवुड, तो दूसरे भी कमा सकते हैं. इज
But
व्हाट
have
आई
you
फील.
reached that level, Ali, in you feel, have you reached that level in the DJing industry where you can actually demand, like you talk about DJ Chetas, right? You think you've reached a level where Ali Merchant is giving that experience and people should invest that kind of money, the organizers and the clubs should invest that kind of money and
At this point,
yes.
No.
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 You
I
still
think
have a wait.
one more year.
One more year.
I promise you.
Is it?
I'll tell you why.
Yes, yes.
I'll tell you about the reason why I'm saying maybe one more year is because I think last 1.5 year I've been listening to. I actually went to a ENT doctor. I've been listening to music literally 7 to 8 hours a day. Literally, if I'm traveling, I'm on listening.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
done. Okay, save, done. Okay, this file done. This file. नहीं ये. I have worked. I think मैंने पिछले 9 साल में इतना काम नहीं किया जितना मैंने 1-1.5 साल में काम किया musically, which will start coming out. Which just started, but I'll start coming out. जहाँ मेरे को 60-65 songs are ready. आप पूरा experience अब डाल देते हो कहीं ना कहीं, you know. और मे बी यू नो बाय आई एम होपिंग, एंड जिनको भी मैंने सुना है सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा है, तो आई एम होपिंग कि यार एक साल बाद आई विल बी इनटू अ बेटर पोजीशन
So you
myself.
think your music is going to take you there?
100%. Only music.
Don't you
Nothing
think
else.
it's sometimes luck, your destiny? You know, sometimes we work
It is,
so hard.
it
right?
is. I agree.
Then?
Luck and destiny plays a very, very important role.
So then?
But I think कि 20% I would you know give it to luck and destiny.
But Ali,
80% is your hard
इतना
work.
हार्ड वर्क कर चुके हैं already since 10 years, right?
जी.
आप और कितना हार्ड वर्क करेंगे for another 1 year which is going to make you and put you out there?
मुझे ऐसे लगता है शिल्पी, पता है कि यू नो म्यूज़िक एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पे इतना फास्ट इवॉल्वमेंट हो रहा है, इतने फास्ट जॉनर्स मूव हो रहे हैं कि जो हम 2016-17 में प्ले करते थे वो आज नहीं प्ले कर सकते हैं. यू नो, जो 2018 में करते थे वो आज के टाइम पे नहीं चलती है. कुछ चीज़ें चलती, कुछ चीज़ें नहीं चलती है. जो जेन अल्फ़ा है, 18 साल 17 साल के जो लोग हैं, उनको तो पता ही नहीं है कि बलम पिचकारी क्या है, उनको तो पता ही नहीं है कि यार ये रंगीला क्या है, उनको तो पता ही नहीं है 90s के गाने. हाउ कैन दे नो व्हेन दे आर सो लेट? दे आर लिटरली. बट आज भी बहुत सारे डीजेज हैं जो वही प्ले कर रहे हैं, वही चीज़ें चल रही, वही यू नो. तो हाउ विल यू इवॉल्व? यू कांट आस्क फॉर बेटर मनी व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग द सेम ओल्ड स्टफ.
But don't you think so? The DJs are playing the same old stuff is because the crowd also wants the same old stuff. I mean, me also
agree.
coming from the industry, I also want to play something new. But मुझे पता है कि हमारी audience कैसी है. It's a typical
Agree.
Bollywood. उनको वही गाना. Imagine you just put Balam Pichkari and everybody's
खत्म
like
हो
a
गया.
dancer.
Correct.
So what can you do? You know you have to play that. So how do you evolve?
See, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे what I have done is I started another alter ego Ila के नाम से, you know,
Yes,
I made it simple.
yes.
अली को इला कर दिया,
हाँ.
ठीक है. और all about Afro के नाम पे, which is more about South Asian music. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ अलग करनी है तो, और अभी बिकॉज इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक इतना
Is it techno?
No, it's Afro.
It's Afro, sorry, Afro.
तो बिकॉज इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक इतना ज़्यादा इजीली एक्सेसिबल हो गया इंडिया में और बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं. मेरा ये सपना है, ये मुझे भी इंटरनेशनल स्टेजेस करना है, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि मैं मेन स्ट्रीम म्यूजिक के साथ में नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो इसलिए आई स्टार्टेड अनदर ऑल्टर ईगो. मीन्स आई हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, है ना. अब वो मुझे अगर स्क्रैच से शुरू करना है तो मुझे बहुत सारा म्यूजिक सुनना है, जमा करना है, बनाना है.
I'm getting so many questions to
you
ask
know,
you.
and पहले तो मुझे वो जॉनर समझ में आना चाहिए, you know, और वो समझने में 2 महीने लग गए. बट आई न्यू कि प्रॉब्ली जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे मजा आने लगा, यू नो, देन आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट जॉनर. आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू गाइस
Yes, yes,
माय
of course.
ओन जर्नी इनटू
Yes,
दिस,
please,
यू नो,
yes.
कि जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वांट टू चेज माय पैशन नाउ.
Okay.
आई वांट टू प्ले म्यूजिक विच इज ओके विद दैट 1%. मुझे क्या होगा, शोज कम मिलेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन मिलेंगे तो मुझे पता है कि वेन्यूज भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे हैं जो ये करते हैं, यू नो.
But Ali, ऐसा भी हो सकता है that you know people know you for the typical commercial music.
करेक्ट.
Imagine you are playing in venue Afro music, जो आपका जो project है, and the crowd suddenly becomes less.
Correct.
What used to come for Ali Merchant,
Agree.
एकदम वो
Drop हो
30%.
सकता है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
What do you do then?
ये मैंने सोचा है, पर सो दिस इज व्हाई व्हेनेवर आई एम गोना बी डूइंग दिस जॉनर ऑफ म्यूजिक, आई एम गोना बी वेरी सिलेक्टिव वेयर आई एम गोना बी डूइंग इट. It is about there has to be the proper lights, there has to be the proper setup, production. There are multiple instruments that we are using. We're using the didgeridoo, we're using the tabla, we're using the basuri, using few more instruments, trying to make it more interactive, more fun. Flipping, tweaking a lot of electronic music, trying to create that experience. I don't know if I'm going to be successful or not, but it is helping me not just in this genre of music, it is also helping me in making better music in Bollywood, because my exposure is coming a lot into electronic.
Isn't it confusing for the audience? Ali Merchant this, now this.
हाँ.
I mean, किसको देखने जाए, किसका म्यूजिक देखने
इसलिए
जाए?
what I have done is, इसलिए a lot of people make alter egos, I agree. इसलिए I've kept a Spotify also totally different. So the identity is very different, the look is very different in that, you know. अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, I agree completely to your point, पर मुझे पर्सनली चैलेंजेस बहुत पसंद है यार लाइफ में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर लाइफ में चैलेंज ना होना तो लाइफ ही खत्म है. अगर मैं वही सेट वही चीज़ रोज 800 शो हो गए, 1000 शो हो गए, आई लव इट, नो डाउट. उसमें मैं 4 गाने हटा रहा हूँ, फिर 4 गाने डाल रहा हूँ, फिर 5 गाने हटा रहा हूँ, 5 गाने हटा रहा हूँ. एक पॉइंट के बाद यू नो यू बिकम सो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड दैट इज अगेन योर डाउनफॉल. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Ali, for organizers, for the clubs also, right? They invite you as a commercial DJ. Like
Then I'm only playing
you
commercial
have
music.
played at my husband's
Yes,
club,
so many
Dhruv Hive
times.
in Calcutta,
Yes.
and they love you.
Yes.
I know the audience in Calcutta, my husband and his partner, everybody just loves your music. And I've seen you perform at Dhruv
Thank
Hive.
you, thank
My
you.
niece was crazy about you,
Yes,
remember?
yes.
Okay, but you know, organizers, they have that thing कि Ali Merchant को बुला रहे हैं,
Correct.
right? He's going to give a rage a night.
Correct.
His energy, console पर खड़ा हो जाता है, डांस
जी,
करता है, चिल्लाता है, right?
जी.
Now suddenly, when you mellow down, Afro music
Correct.
is a
It's
little mellow
melodic,
down
right.
music, right?
Right.
You think organizers will first of all pay you that kind of money? Secondly, will they give you that kind of chance what they gave you for the Bollywood commercial music?
Okay.
अगर ये सब cut off हो गया, then where do you stand?
No, I agree to your point. Very this.
पैसे भी चले गए.
मैं agree करता हूँ.
venues कम
It's
हो
a
गए.
big challenge for me.
Exactly.
Which is why I am not instantly starting to do shows. Touchwood, obviously, जब आप इतने shows करते हो तो आपको पता है कि आप एक कॉल करोगे, किसी को बोलोगे यार मैंने कुछ नया शुरू किया, वो आपको शो दे देगा, चीज़ें हो जाएगी शुरू. I am also taking my own sweet time.
Okay.
You know, it's been. So 1 year for me was only listening, understanding, preparing. Second year for me would be putting it out. Then when it happens, when it works, is when I'll start probably doing shows. But the stages that India provides for Bollywood DJs is nothing.
Yeah.
Singers get paid the best.
Yeah, absolutely.
DJs
Actors.
are like brand ambassadors for the singers,
Yeah.
you know, for the Bollywood singers. We don't have any sunburn for us. We don't have any big festival for us. Even the college campuses, they want international acts. The demand, normal clubs, bars, you know, events, festivals, New Year's, 100% Bollywood music बहुत चलता है. We love Bollywood, everything. लेकिन अब अगर आपको इंटरनेशनल स्टेजेस जाना है या अगर आपको कुछ अलग करना है तो आपको कुछ एक्सट्रीमली अलग
Reinvent yourself.
री इन्वेंट योर सेल्फ एंड री इवॉल्व योर सेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ये कभी लाइफ में छोड़ूँ, मैं कभी लाइफ में नहीं छोड़ूंगा, इसकी वजह से सारी चीज़ें हैं. पर ये अगर मैंने कुछ जो मैंने जिस पे मैंने मेहनत की, अगर ये और बहुत कम टाइम आपको ऐसा मौका मिलता है म्यूजिकली जॉनर शिफ्ट का, यू नो कि अभी तक वही मेन स्ट्रीम हिप हॉप, R&B, टेक्नो, यही सब, हार्ड टेक्नो, मेलोडिक, यही सब चल रहा था. अब सडनली वीव कम बैक टू यू नो एफ्रो हाउस विच इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ हाउस, और कहीं ना कहीं एफ्रो दम मारो दम और उन सारे गानों में भी चल ही रहा था जो आज जाके इंटरनेशनल लोग डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं. हमने बॉलीवुड ने बहुत सालों पहले डिस्कवर किया था.
Have you
बट
performed?
Which one?
Have you performed the Afro?
No, I have not performed
Abhi
yet.
tak
Nothing,
nahi.
not a single show. But I have heard a lot of artists.
Okay.
A lot of
When will you
Indian.
start performing and play this kind of music? When do you think?
Jan Feb
It's
onwards.
coming Jan?
Yeah, Jan Feb onwards.
You have to invite me for this.
For sure, for sure.
I hope it's somewhere where I can easily reach, maybe Calcutta or Bombay.
Yeah, for sure,
Yeah?
for sure.
You can start in Bruhive as well.
I would love to.
Yeah, it'd be amazing.
I would love
okay,
to.
Ali, I'm so sorry.
Like
to
इसमें मैं सिर्फ लोगों को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि don't stop learning यार. Even if you are a DJ, if you are not, if you think अरे मेरे पास 4 घंटे का सेट है अब तो मैं रेडी हूँ डीजेइंग करने के लिए, नहीं यार, है ना. आप कभी आपको रोज थोड़ा टाइम देना ही पड़ता है. किसी भी म्यूजिक और जॉनर पे आप काम करोगे, सुनोगे, आपके कान ही बेटर होगे, आपके आइडियाज आपको और आने लगेंगे, आप कुछ अलग ही चीज बनाने लगोगे, यू नो, विच इज अवे फ्रॉम मेन स्ट्रीम. इंडो वेयर हाउस को ले लेते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है. They have Bollywood tracks with techno drops.
And tell me something, would you leave DJing if you got a role of your life in acting? Like you felt like this is it, what I want to do. Would you leave DJing if you had a choice?
I don't think so, yeah.
No?
I'll do less
if you
shows.
had to choose one. Role of your lifetime in acting and DJing. Tell me.
I can't choose, yeah. I really can't choose. I've always wanted to be an actor, since childhood, rather. And acting also comes very naturally to me. Yeah. And अभी मैंने जो फिल्म की है वो रिलीज पर है.
Are you doing better as an actor or as a DJ?
As a DJ.
As a DJ.
As a DJ.
So you think people have accepted you as
Now, yes. Since few years, since 4, 5, 6 years, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And from like you were in Big Boss 4, right?
जी.
There was this massive controversy. I'm not going to get into it, but tell me that one lesson you've already mentioned. Those were very dark moments for you. You were out of work, but what is that one lesson you've learned that time from that particular controversy?
कि being popular doesn't mean you're good.
Yes.
It's important to be good at what you do. और ये जो आशिकी है ये हर इंसान को घुटनों के नीचे ले आती है कभी ना कभी, है ना.
So true.
ये भी मैंने सीखा है कि जिसका दिल नहीं टूटा उसने क्या खाक जिंदगी जी है.
So you've learnt more from your love life, right? You've got more lessons, because of your relationships or whatever.
I have learnt a lot, to be honest, from my wife.
Okay.
Since a year and a half. Actually, since 2-3 years since we're
Okay.
together. I have learnt a lot of. I've learned how I was wrong. I've learned how I should change myself, evolve rather, not change, evolve. What are the mistakes that men do, what I do, what I used to do. Boundaries वगैरह. मतलब एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ कि पहले अगर मैं शो करता था तो आसपास 5-6 लड़कियाँ 10 लड़कियाँ आ जाती थी, फोटोज लेते थे. इट यूज्ड टू बी ओह हाँ कूल वगैरह. Now they used to they used to come close, hold my arm वगैरह वगैरह. I was cool with it. अब मुझे वो सही नहीं लगता है. अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, because मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि the way I started changing myself, I was like यार will I like to do something which can I see my wife doing something which probably I am doing? No, right? Then I wouldn't want her also to do it. So same way I also shouldn't do it. So I think there are a lot of life lessons which I keep on learning and I kept on learning and evolving.
Wow, this is so amazing, Ali.
कि मैं imagine अब समझ what I'm trying to say. I don't know if I've put it
I
across
respect that.
properly.
I really respect that. I mean, you're sounding very matured, very responsible, and I think this is one thing, a lot of DJs out there, not only DJs, a lot of people out there need to hear, that how someone amazing in your life can do to you.
For sure.
Firstly, you know, the fact that you're accepting you've made mistakes, you know, and you needed to change. And what I mean, your conversation is, I have
Thank
a lot
you.
of respect.
Thank you. Thank you.
Seriously. And what I can feel, the kind of respect you're giving to your wife as well, constantly talking about her, that, you know, because of her, certain things have changed. Hats off, Ali.
Thank you.
Seriously. I'm sure this attitude is going to take you a long way. Ali,
Ji.
do you think actors get more media attention than, you know, what a DJ?
For sure, 100%.
So, कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, you know, like the media, you know, we are so used to wherever we go, suddenly there's paparazzi everywhere, and suddenly as a DJ, you know, हर चीज़ खत्म हो जाती है,
जी.
right? Have you
हाँ.
faced that situation?
100%.
Why? And doesn't that hurt you or hit you hard? Like, oh my God.
Oh, it does. It does.
Yeah, because as a DJ, I don't think वो media इतनी
Recognition नहीं
interested
मिलती.
है,
Correct.
इतनी नहीं है, right?
जी.
To write about you and this
Correct.
and that. How do you handle that then?
You know, it does affect me for sure, to be honest, because when you're used to being in multiple press conferences in your life, when you're used to being interviewed with all the possible media all the time, and then there comes a phase where they don't want to put about you, they don't want to interview you
Yeah.
because you are not an actor,
Of course.
you know, according to them anymore.
Yeah.
It does affect me. It does be like, yaar,
Ali Merchant, the actor.
Right.
In the DJing community,
I agree.
Yes, you've, you know, made a mark, but I think there's still
A long way to go.
accepting you.
Right.
Right. But what's really working for you is being Ali Merchant, the actor.
I agree.
Right?
I agree. Maybe I've done more groundbreaking stuff in acting than in DJing yet.
Okay. So how do you handle, you know, we are so much surrounded by, you know, praise and criticism. How do you handle negative feedback and, you know, like,
You know, I do take negative feedback
do you
very
take it very
wisely.
seriously? Do you get hurt? Like, as you said, you went into those dark moments, you know. Does it affect you the same way?
It does affect me, but I think I've become more wise rather. I end up, अगर मुझे लगता है कि यार मेरा आज म्यूजिक, आज सेट में मज़ा नहीं आया, कुछ ये नहीं हुआ, तो मैं थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है कि यार नहीं, अब नहीं, कल मैं और मेहनत करूँ.
Okay.
You know, and now I'm gonna prove it that I'm even better. So I've always fought with myself. I do take feedbacks. Actually, I don't much.
Sportingly?
I don't take feedbacks that much nowadays, to be honest. But then हाँ, मेरी जो team है, उनसे मैं feedback लेते रहता हूँ.
If there's a situation, you know that, you know, some DJ has really spoken nonsense about you.
A lot of them.
ठीक है. Now, ऐसा हुआ कि that you've come across, you know, you've come into a place or a room where, you know, you are face to face. How are you going to behave with
Confront
that person?
him.
Like, no, you don't have to confront.
I
It's
don't have
totally
to
your
confront.
choice. You want to
Yes.
confront him? You don't want to confront him? Say somebody is really spoken crap about your DJing skills. You know, ये तो ये बकवास करता है, ये है वो है. Yeah, he's an actor, तभी इसको इतना कुछ मिल
ये
रहा है.
आता है मुझे, हाँ.
तब क्या करेंगे? Will you face them, ask them that, like, you know, bro, मेरे में क्या कमी है? What is it? Would you try to be friends with them, or would you just let it be and ignore those people because you don't want to?
Yeah, I wouldn't be friends with them for sure. Okay, I would not want them to come in my inner circle, which I create very strongly. मैं उनको probably in a very smart way or in a very wise way उसको बता दूंगा कि मुझे पता है ना? But I'll just make that person realize कि, you know, बचपना है bro, ये सब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ देखी है.
बट आपको नहीं लगता अली द लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो दूसरों को जज करते हैं विदाउट नोइंग देयर स्टोरी, यू नो, जैसे यू हैव स्टोरी बिहाइंड यू,
Correct.
आप कैसे आए हैं, द काइंड ऑफ हार्ड वर्क यू डन,
जी.
नॉट एवरीबडी नोज दैट,
Agree,
राइट? कोई
agree.
नहीं जानता.
कोई नहीं
आज
जानता.
मे बी, यू नो, व्हेन पीपल विल हियर दिस पॉडकास्ट, लॉट ऑफ डीजेस आउट देयर आर गोइंग टू नो हु एग्जैक्टली अली मर्चेंट इज.
जी.
मतलब उतनी ही मेहनत करी है, उतने ही रिजेक्शंस और हार्डशिप्स से निकला है ये
For
बंदा.
sure.
So people will maybe have a lot of respect for you, but there are a lot of established DJs and artists in the industry जो बहुत easily judge करते हैं.
जी.
यार अली मर्चेंट क्या है, उसको
Correct.
तो आता ही नहीं है, वो नहीं है.
Correct.
So I want to actually convey to them that इतना judge नहीं करना चाहिए. Like we are, so what if we actors,
Right.
So what if we had it easy? But मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है ना पहुंचने के लिए.
एक्टिंग में जाने में भी 140 करोड़ में से मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लोग जाना चाहते हैं,
Exactly.
तो भी नहीं जा पाते. सो इट्स बिन डबल द एफर्ट बिकॉज एक होता है ना कि यार हमें ऑलरेडी लोग जानते हैं, अगर अब हमने कुछ खराब कर दिया तो फिर और ज्यादा ट्रोल हो गया. आपको वैसे ही कोई नहीं जानता है, अगर आप खराब करोगे तो आपको वैसे ही कोई कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला.
एंड इफ यू आर अ न्यू कमर और आपको लोग क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं देन इट्स ओके, बट बीइंग अ वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट,
correct.
फिर आप एक नई इंडस्ट्री में और फिर क्रिटिसिज्म मिले,
हाँ.
उस पर भी खड़े होकर इतना सहना, टू टेक इट ऑल एंड टू स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट एंड स्टिल यू नो वांट टू बाउंस बैक, आई थिंक दैट्स
A lot of courage.
That's a lot of courage. What I feel, you are in that place. Seriously. I mean, you know, we've been talking for so long and जो आप बता रहे हैं कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, ये क्या है, sounding very, very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Really. A lot of people should learn where you're coming from.
Thank you.
And yeah.
पता है
Okay.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है यार, you know, आप किसी को जज मत करो, किसी को क्रिटिसाइज मत करो, बिकॉज जब आप जज करते हो एज ए डीजे, बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, और जब आप क्रिटिसाइज करते हो तो आप सामने वाले को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, मुझे थोड़ा सा फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन मैं अपने आप को और बेटर तो कर ही दूंगा, है ना. लेकिन आप इसी चीज़ में फंस जाओगे ना तो आपका ग्रोथ स्टैग्नेंट हो जाएगा. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट फॉर दैट मैटर, you know. So then I started telling myself and realizing कि यार छोड़ यार, इसका बचपन है यार, I don't want to bother. तो they are very insecure, पर मुझे वही बताना है कि यार इन सब से they are hampering their own growth. They will not grow ahead in life because if they keep talking bad about someone, it's the energies, you know. You're talking bad, you're कहीं ना कहीं वो शायद खुद के लिए मैनिफेस्ट हो रहा है, you know. तो you rather don't talk bad about someone, you know. You rather try to be better than what you were, and you know honestly if you are becoming better or you're just using the same sets you're using a year back now. So
Have you ever faced a technical glitch? Like कभी play करते हुए suddenly pause कर दिया?
बहुत बार.
बहुत बार. And how do you handle it?
I tell them, oh God, I'm sorry, I fucked up. You know, so I think people like that. People have said that to me. You know, और होता है बहुत बार डबल क्यू दब गया या फिर ये प्ले है, मैं यहाँ मौज में हूँ और यहाँ पे सडनली हो गया, मुझसे गाना रुक गया है ना, बट आई ऑब्वियसली कवर इट अप फास्ट, पर मैं ऑब्वियसली उसको फेड डाउन करके बोल देता हूँ, सॉरी गाइस, आई जस्ट फक्ड अप, यू नो, बट नाउ आई एम गोना रेज इट, लेट्स गो. सो आई फील कि you must do mistakes.
Yes.
You cannot be perfect and you should not be perfect, because if you are perfect and someday if there is an error coming in, you won't be able to tackle it. The same way struggle, it is important to struggle. अगर आप struggle नहीं करोगे, अगर आप success चल रहे हो, और जिस दिन आप गिरोगे, you know, अगर आप एक bubble में success चल रहे हो और आप वो bubble टूटेगा तो आप उसको handle नहीं कर पाओगे. So struggle is a great learning, यार.
Yes.
It's such an important learning.
Okay, how about, you know, you've gone for a gig and very excited, मैं ये play कर रहा हूँ, and suddenly you see there's no crowd. You know, मुश्किल से 10-15 लोग हो.
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. Trust me.
Doesn't it bring you down?
It brings me down.
का के मतलब show एकदम नीचे चला
गया. It brings me down, to be honest. It used to actually bring me down earlier, है ना.
पर ऐसा हुआ है?
बहुत बार हुआ है ऐसे. बहुत बार ऐसे हुआ है. कभी 2 दिन पहले, if the promotion is not right, you know, कभी 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया, कभी मेरे पहले एक बहुत बड़ा आर्टिस्ट है like a Sunny Leone or you know any bigger artist is at a launch party and next day show मेरा कर दिया तो crowd बेले नहीं आएगा, लोग वहाँ जाएंगे. You know, it's obvious. If the programming is wrong by the programmer, if the day is wrong, if a lot of factors happen, जब show hit नहीं होता है, crowd कम आता है. पहले मैं बहुत पर्सनल ले लेता था. I was like, oh God, अब मेरा करियर खत्म, ये सिटी मुझे वापस नहीं बुलाएगी. मैं I used to sulk a lot, you know. लेकिन अब मैं ऐसा हो गया कि अरे wow, I'll get to play an opening set. I'll get to play a different set altogether. Wow, because I have so much music right now and I have so many folders कि I feel like I sometimes miss doing an opening set. You know, I have done one of the holies where I had opened Chetas for that matter. You know, उसके बाद तो I never had to.
So it doesn't hurt your ego, nothing at all?
No, I know that the music that I'm going to play is going to be way different. I don't need to play mainstream.
So you enjoy that?
I enjoy playing.
ऐसा कुछ ego नहीं है कि मैं Chetas के पहले play कर रहा हूँ and he's doing the closing set.
No, कोई stress. मेरे में ऐसा कुछ भी ego नहीं है. You know, मुझे in fact और अच्छा लगता है कि मुझे कुछ अलग प्ले करने का मौका मिला.
और अगर सेम सिचुएशन अगर आज आ जाए तो if you had to open it for Chetas, will you? For any big DJ?
I don't know at the moment. I don't think I would, to be honest. But it yet depends what the programming is all about.
But what about international DJ?
I would love to.
You would love to?
I would love to, for sure. You know, Holy or such festivals are a different festival altogether because the number of hours is a lot.
Yes,
आपको उतना वो crowd वो सारी चीज़ें मिल ही जाती है. कहीं ना कहीं मे बी दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वाला सेक्टर में मैं इसलिए भी इंक्लाइंड हुआ हूँ कि उसमें ऐसा कोई मेजर कुछ हेडलाइनर वाला फैक्टर नहीं होता है. उसमें 6 घंटे मिलते तो उसमें सब लोग अपना अपना स्लॉट कर सकते हैं, चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, सभी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज पीपल आर देयर फॉर द म्यूजिक एंड द वाइब, नॉट टू मिसबिहेव फॉर दैट मैटर.
So for the 10-15 का जो crowd है, with all due respect, do you play with the same enthusiasm and energy or is like okay mellow now?
No, it can't be the same energy. It is never the same energy, but it is a different. It's more vibing. It's more, कुछ जो मैं मेन सेट में कभी ना प्ले करूँ. लकीली ऐसा हुआ नहीं कि 15-20 लोग आए हैं शो में, पर हाँ डेफिनेटली ऐसा हुआ है कि द शो इज़ 40% फिल और 50% और 30%. ऐसे हुआ है मेरे साथ में. तब ऑब्वियसली द सेट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट, पर आई थिंक वही चीज़ है ना जो आपको एक बेटर डीजे बनाती है कि आप किसी भी माहौल में आप ढल सकते हो, आप किसी भी जगह पे आप ढल सकते हो.
मुझे जब एम्प्टी वेन्यूज होते हैं अली, और जब हुआ है क्या आपको ऑर्गेनाइजर्स या प्रमोटर्स दे बुक यू अगेन बिकॉज थिंकिंग कि इट वाज एन एम्प्टी थिंग. लेट्स फेस इट, टुडे लॉट ऑफ डीजेस गेट बुक्ड नोइंग दिस कि कितनी टेबल्स इनके आने से बुक होंगी, कितने लोग आने वाले हैं, और कितना क्राउड आने वाला है, उनकी गेस्ट लिस्ट क्या है. दिस इज हाउ लॉट प्रमोटर्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजर्स आर बुकिंग एन आर्टिस्ट. तो ऐसा होता है that they don't want to book you again. अरे Ali's, he gave us empty venues.
Correct.
Does it happen?
To be honest, it's not really happened with me. I didn't face this so much. Maybe 2016, 17, yes.
But this exists, you know that, right?
This
booking tables and guest lists and this and that.
Right now, I'm sure it does exist. I have not faced this since past 3-4 years.
Okay.
Actually, I have not faced this at all.
Okay.
Because मैं उतनी फ्रीडम ही नहीं देता वो प्रमोटर या ओनर को कि वो मुझसे बात करे और मुझ तक पहुँचे. तो मैं अगर अपना दायरा और बाउंड्री इतना ज़्यादा क्लियर रखता हूँ कि आप टीम से बात कर लो, मतलब उतने हद तक मैं अगर स्ट्रांग रहता हूँ तो वो चीज़ें मुझ तक नहीं आती हैं कहीं ना कहीं. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द वे यू हैंडल इट. अगर आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग बैड फॉर हिम और आई डोंट वांट टू फील बैड फॉर यू, यू डिडंट डू योर जॉब वेल, you didn't fill the table, you didn't fill the crowd. You're the promoter. I'm not the promoter.
No, but why is it that they feel that as a DJ we should bring the crowd?
Then they're wrong. They should go to. They should,
it's a misconception. Why should the DJ bring the crowd?
DJs should never do that. The problem is, I'm sure there are some DJs who, even I, for that matter, I'm not talking about. मैं दूसरों की क्या बात करूँ? दूसरों की भी बात कर सकते हैं. मैं खुद की बात करता हूँ. I think 2015-16 का जो फेस था, 2015-16-17 का जो फेस था, मेरा भी वो वाला फेस था कि यार अली आता है तो 2-4 टेबल तो आ ही जाते हैं, 5 टेबल्स तो आ ही जाते हैं, क्योंकि मेरे भी पार्टी सर्कल में उतने सारे दोस्त रहे जो मेरे बोलने पे आ जाते हैं, लेकिन मैं कभी भी इसे एज अ वेपन यूज करके अपने लिए शोज नहीं लाना चाहता था, और ना मैंने वो डायरेक्शन पर कभी काम किया है. आई न्यू कि यार ये आज है कल नहीं है, ये आज लाख रुपए का टेबल ले लेगा, ये बेचारा 5 साल बाद ले पाएगा नहीं ले पाएगा. मैं इसके भरोसे थोड़ी अपना करियर डिपेंड कर सकता हूँ. ये क्लब आज है 4 साल बाद बंद हो जाएगा, मैं इसके लिए अपना करियर थोड़ी ये कर सकता हूँ. हाँ ठीक है, मैं लोगों को जानता हूँ, वो लोग आते हैं, अपना टेबल लेते हैं, वो एंजॉय करते हैं, मेरी वजह से उस वक्त कुछ वेन्यूज़ में सेल होते हैं, लेकिन ये लाइफ लॉन्ग मैं डिल्यूजन में नहीं रहना चाहता हूँ. मैंने अपने आप में 2018 आई थिंक एक होली मैंने की थी टीम इनोवेशन के साथ, विच वॉज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट होली सनबर्न के साथ में, बॉलीबूम के साथ में एक्चुअली. वहाँ से हम सबका एक्चुअली करियर टेक ऑफ हुआ इन अ वेरी गुड वे. तो तभी उसी वक्त मैंने अपने आप को कह दिया था कि अगर मैं ये काम करके शोज ला रहा हूँ तो मैं एक डिल्यूजन में हूँ, मैं एक डिनायल में हूँ. ये हर वक्त नहीं होगा. क्या मेरे साथ हर वक्त होगा? मेरा म्यूजिक. क्या वर्क मेरे साथ होगा? मेरा हार्ड वर्क, और व्हाट ऑल आई हैव लर्नड एंड व्हाट ऑल आई एम पुटिंग इट अक्रॉस इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यूजिक और फन और एंटरटेनमेंट. एंड वहाँ से मैंने ये कट ऑफ कर दिया. आज भी मैं देखता हूँ बहुत लोग ऐसे करता है, फील यार क्या कर रहे हो, बचपना है सब.
But Ali, you are playing, you're doing opening sets for very big artists like Diljit and Guru Randhawa and all of that.
जी.
आप अपने आप को उसमें कितना क्रेडिट देते हैं? Because you're already getting a ready, audience and a huge crowd.
Correct.
Right? Firstly, it's all out there for you.
Right. They've come for them.
They've come for them.
For sure.
Okay, so I'm glad you accept that.
Yeah, they've come for them.
Second is how nervous does it make you feel when you're performing for such a huge crowd? Oh my God.
I get very nervous. I get nervous even if it is a small club or a small bar.
But
And
do
it
you
is
get nervous before every gig now
every
also?
gig, every gig. Trust
Seriously?
me. Every gig. Like before the gig, I don't want anyone to be with me for 15 minutes. I want to थोड़ा मुझे space चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे चाहिए because हर city अलग है. You know, I would not play what I'm playing in Kolkata, in Bombay. I can't play what I'm playing in Chandigarh. I can't play what I'm playing in Hyderabad. Every city is so Dubai is different. Everything is so different. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा और वो 20 मिनट तो आई एम श्योर हर आर्टिस्ट को लगता है स्टार्टिंग के 20 मिनट थोड़ा माहौल सेट वार्म अप करने के लिए आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स वी आर ऑन अ रोल यू नो बट दैट 30-40 मिनट और इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इफ यू आर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट और अगर आप मैं फेस्टिवल म्यूजिक एक छोटे से बार में प्ले कर दूंगा धार धूर तो it will be like what am I doing? It's stupid, it's dumb. You know, I can't. और अगर कोई small बार है उसमें smaller music R&B चल रहा है वो म्यूजिक में 20,000 के क्राउड में उनको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि यार ये क्या एक्सक्यूजेस में थोड़ी 20,000 के क्राउड में प्ले करके वो थोड़ा सा 10 सेकंड लोगों को मजा आएगा उसके बाद क्या है वहाँ फेस्टिवल म्यूजिक चल रहा है तो आई थिंक दिस अवेयरनेस हर डीजे में रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड यू नीड टू उस पर अमल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट एंड यू नीड टू नो एंड कांट बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट
nervous right?
It's important to get nervous. I feel if you don't get nervous then you will not do good and justice. You'll
What
be
is your
overconfident.
ritual before every gig? Like आप क्या करते हैं? As you said 15-20 minutes before you don't want anybody around. So how can people how do people see Ali Merchant say half an hour before the gig? What exactly is he doing? Locked in a room or you reach the venue? What is it you do?
यूजुअली मैं गिग के 10 मिनट पहले ही आता हूँ आई डोंट वांट टू हाँ समटाइम्स मे बी इफ इट्स अ फेस्टिवल देन आई वांट टू कम अ लिटिल अर्ली बिकॉज आई वांट टू लिसन कि व्हाट इज बीइंग प्लेड व्हाट इज बीइंग डन अगर ऐसा कुछ है मतलब नथिंग रियली आई जस्ट वांट टू बी साइलेंट फोकस ऑन माय ब्रीदिंग लीव माय एंजाइटी अवे
You're a little edgy, nervous.
यू नो द एंजाइटी जो आती है तो मैं उसमें थोड़ा सा मेडिटेट करता हूँ और
Imagine अगर ऐसा हुआ that you playing for this huge festival or whatever, a big club or a big gig of yours, and आपसे पहले the resident DJ has already played all your songs. It happens with every DJ, right? What do? Do you stop him from playing or do you?
It happened in one
you
of
don't
the-
play those tracks. What is it?
It happened in one of the shows I was doing in Kolkata, 2018 again, I think, where the guy who was opening, and वो कोलकाता का काफ़ी फेमस डीजे है, उसने 140 टेम्पो पे उसने आधा घंटा प्ले कर लिया मेरे पहले.
Okay.
You know, तो आप ओपनिंग में 140 टेम्पो साइकिडेलिका कर दोगे तो फिर सामने वाला क्या करेगा फॉर दैट मैटर. बट देन आई वाज लाइक आई कुडंट डू एनीथिंग, ही इज ऑलरेडी देयर, ही शुड नो व्हाट टू डू व्हाट नॉट टू डू. Like when I opened Chetas, I didn't play a single Bollywood track. When I opened DJ Akhtar, for that matter, being a Bollywood DJ, I didn't play a single Bollywood track. Akhtar messaged me, bro, play, it's okay. I'm like, bro, I have respect for you. That is how he was like, that was my first time I ever worked with DJ Akhtar in Pune, one of the shows we did. And he's like, yaar Ali, I have never seen someone so honest to their work. I'm like, matlab, you are bigger. I am. This is my second year of DJing. अब हम दोनों साथ में हैं आर्टवर्क में, नो डाउट, लेकिन आप सीनियर हो सर. आई कांट रूइन योर सेट.
Very sweet.
तो वो क्लैरिटी मुझ में हमेशा से बहुत रही है. द सेम वे आई एक्सपेक्ट कि कोई मुझे जो ओपन कर रहा है उसमें भी वो क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि यार मुझे उसको ओपनिंग से तोड़ देना है. लेकिन अगर आप फाड़ी दोगे 140 पे, what am I going to do?
I think that's the respect you should give to a guest DJ.
Everybody.
Right? Lot of resident DJs, I have come across.
It's a big problem in Hyderabad, for that matter. And a lot of cities.
No, it's pan-India.
Yeah.
I have faced this. A lot of resident DJs just want to kill it before the guest.
Main set play kar
I
do.
don't know what it is, but I have faced this issue. I'm sure you face this issue too. Who's your favorite DJ?
Currently?
Yes.
Flipside.
Flipside.
Currently, yes.
Okay. An international DJ?
Hamza in Afro.
Okay.
I love him.
Okay.
DJ Snake, of course. But I like recently. It keeps changing. Yeah. Every 4 months.
So before Flipside?
In commercial Bollywood. नहीं यार, not
No?
I won't say.
When you started off, you didn't have any favorite Bollywood DJ?
I
DJ?
wanted to hear everyone to decide who's my favorite.
Like
मुझे सबकी
Akhil,
कुछ चीज़ें पसंद है सबकी. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई मेरा फेवरेट, मतलब मुझे इसकी हर चीज़ पसंद है. मुझे सबकी सब कुछ नहीं पसंद है. You know, जैसे DJ Akhil, I love him because I think his mixing is the fastest, the quickest.
Yeah.
वो आदमी एक कुछ भी कर सकता है यार. वो इतना परफेक्ट है अपने चीज़ों में, you know. तो मैं I take some things from him. Some things I take it from Akhtar.
Okay.
You know, so सबसे मैं थोड़ा चीज़ें लेता हूँ. Though I have a lot of love and respect, but I won't say कि मैं they are my role models for that matter.
Get it. Who are the people in the industry who helped you, DJing industry, in your journey?
Among the DJs,
Yes.
DJ Akhtar.
Okay.
For sure. He helped me get my first gig outside Bombay.
Okay.
You know, then DJ Akhil, he's given me a lot of ज्ञान as
Okay.
well. फिर छोटे ज्ञान हम बैठते हैं obviously, you know. और प्राइस पॉइंट में भी यू नो चेतस कि यार ये वो प्राइस पे मुझे उसके आसपास पहुंचना है. एक इंस्पिरेशन आप लेते हो
That's
ना.
your dream,
That's my
basically.
dream,
yeah.
of course.
But actually helping you out, you know, being there for you through thick and thin.
Among the या थिक एंड थिन तो नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, बट lot of small DJs, you know, lot of underrated DJs. Like I have a lot of friends who are residents.
Okay.
You know, and I like talking to them, and I think they are so talented. They are so hardworking, and they're so you know, honest to their work, and they're like mirror images. You know, they won't try to butter up. Some of them will try to butter you up. You know, and I like listening to their sets.
Okay.
Like I like the residents at Dragonfly. You know, Pratik Shom. I like the residents at Nines, Bastion again. So अलग जगह अलग लोग.
According to you,
जी.
I really want you to be very honest about this, please.
हाँ.
According to you, in India, who's a overrated DJ and underrated DJ? Overrated DJ, less talent. Underrated DJ, more talented.
My team is here. See, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि कोई overrated है, ठीक है. मैं honestly बोलता हूँ, कुछ social media DJs होंगे, okay. मेरा ये मानना है कि जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं खुद अपने आप को ओवररेटेड करता था जब मैं बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स बोलता था. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल दोस गाइस कि यार ये एक बबल है. आप बेवफा ये सब चीज़ें जब करते हो ना, ये सब what is this behavior? It's nonsense. It's stupid. You know, you are an artist. You be on the stage. You DJing is all
Live
about
performance.
spreading joy,
Yes.
making the crowd dance. आप वो ही डायलॉग्स वो सब बोलोगे, दिल जले वाली बातें, आशिकी वाले बातें. एक तो पहले आपके खुद की डायलॉग नहीं है. आप खुद शेर व शायरी करने के लायक नहीं हो, ठीक है ना. आपको 4 पोइट्स के नाम पता है ना. मैं उससे 100 गुना ज़्यादा कर सकता हूँ, ओके. बट नो, आई नीड टू नो कि व्हाट इज़ माई बाउंड्री. यू नो, आई नीड टू नो कि मैं 4 बार स्टेज के ऊपर खड़े रह के नहीं कर सकता. मैं एक ही बार करूँगा. यू नो, उस इम्पैक्ट किस में है. तो अगर आप अपने आप को ऐसे ही फेंक दोगे, आप कर दिया, लोगों को वो लगेगा 2 मिनट के लिए एंटरटेनमेंट. बट दैट्स लाइक बीइंग राखी सावंत इन डीजेइंग है, यू नो. सो यू डोंट वांट टू डू दैट, करेक्ट. यू वांट टू, एंड आई हैव डन दैट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दीज बॉयज, यू नो, कि डोंट डू दैट. इट्स अ बबल. इट विल नॉट मेक यू ग्रो. हाँ, 1-2 साल चलेगा, आगे तो आपका म्यूजिक ही बात करेगा.
Overrated DJ.
ओवररेटेड हरकत है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Overrated DJ with less talent. Please don't look.
यार मैं एक्चुअली
You know, all the artists I've had here, they've been like,
see, I will not pinpoint. I will say कि यार
it's
a
okay.
phase.
You know what? You have your own. You're entitled to your own opinion.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ. मैं ऑफ लेटली रिसेंटली मैंने एक दिल्ली का एक डीजे जुगनी,
Okay.
you know, तो आई डोंट नो हिम पर्सनली, बट आई हर्ड इज अ स्वीट बॉय, नाइस बॉय, यू नो. बट मुझे उसकी स्टेज की हरकतें बड़ी ऑफ लगती है.
अच्छा.
You know, I feel it's not required.
Okay.
I feel you know, it's not needed.
Okay.
You know, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि यार हाँ, एंटरटेनमेंट है तो आप कॉमेडी शो करो ना. आप म्यूजिक डीजेइंग क्यों कर रहे हो. आप लाफ्टर, यू नो, कॉमेडी सेंट्रल चले जाओ. वहाँ भी मेरा मुनावर, मेरा खास, मेरे सारे ही अच्छे दोस्त थे. तो अब वहाँ पे तो टिक ही नहीं पाओगे. तो अब ये चीज़ें यहाँ करके आई जस्ट फील कि इट डजंट लुक नाइस, यू नो. थोड़े टाइम के लिए इट्स गुड,
It'll work for some time.
इट इज, बट देन इससे जितनी जल्दी बाहर निकल जाओ उतना
Exactly.
बेटर है. और बहुत सारे डीजेज है जो यू नो एयरपोर्ट पे पैप्स वैप्स ये सब पेड वेड सब करते हैं. आपको कोई नहीं देखना चाहता है, मैं जानता हूँ. मैं तो दोनों रह चुका हूँ, यू नो, और दोनों हूँ, आप भी, यू नो. तो ऐसी चीजें मत करो कि लोगों को पता चल जाए. नहीं यार, पहले इसके लायक कुछ तो कर लो, फिर आप ये सब चीजें अपने आप आ जाएगी.
And what about an underrated DJ but more talent who needs to be out there but he's so underrated?
You know, I feel Flipside is underrated.
Okay.
I feel Dhyan, he's underrated.
Okay.
I feel Rohan Mukati is another guy. He's also very talented. He's also Project 91. You know, all these guys are pretty underrated guys. A lot of residents, you know,
Underrated.
are very underrated, unfortunately. Like, I would love to do a B2B with a resident DJ. Yeah.
Wow.
I am that cool of a guy. But my probably the identity or the position doesn't allow me to do that. But I'm sure I'll work something or the other around.
Why not? Of course you can.
You know,
mean,
I can, but
you're
then
in a position you can, Ali.
maybe I'll create some different concept where I can.
I don't think it'll pull you down or bring
It won't
you
pull me
down.
down for sure.
I think it'll be amazing.
It will be nice. It will help them also.
Yeah.
You know, but I think कुछ तो करेंगे, कुछ तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार something I want to do because it's going to be fun. You know, I've never done any B2Bs.
So as you said, Flipside, you know, you have been spending a lot of time with him, and he's underrated DJ.
Right. Now he's blown up
Okay.
since past 6-8 months, but yeah, he was
Okay.
underrated.
Okay. Tell me about your wife. You know, you've spoken so highly about her. I would love to know. Does she travel with you?
Sometimes.
For your shows?
Sometimes.
And what's the take on your DJing profession?
Supportive?
Supportive?
She has no option but to be supportive. No, she's very supportive. She's
Yeah.
very helpful. She gives me the
Late nights and this and that.
That she's used to it.
Okay.
You know, because she also knows ki. She knows for the fact, like I know for the fact that if I want my relationship, considering the past that I've had, if I want everything to go well, I need to know my boundaries, be in my boundaries, finish my show, get out of the club, not party till morning. I need to make her feel as secure as possible because we are in this career. As DJs, it is very important कि अरे ये सब मुझे अभी सब बहाने लगते हैं कि मैं अरे मुझे नेटवर्किंग करना है, मुझे 4 लोगों से मिलना है, इस सब से काम नहीं होगा. चलो, luckily I'm very happy that the team that I have, I don't need to do any of this.
Networking is important, Ali.
It is very important.
This industry.
It is very important, but I feel कि एक point के बाद happiness is more important, and I can't be fake, yaar. If I see someone who's a misogynist, I can't hang out with that person. If I see someone is not ethical, I can't be nice to that person. I feel कि यार I'm getting myself into that toxic energy. I rather be away, hi, hello, normal, हाँ 2 photo लिए, मिले, चाय कॉफी पी और निकल लिए. I rather do that. Is what I have realized, and I would prefer spending more time in the studios again. Thinking of what better I can make myself. अगर मैं अच्छा बनूंगा तो sky is the limit. I don't need to be dependent on anyone.
So on the lighter side, do you want to share any funny or a strange or a weird experience you've ever had while performing?
यार
Or a fan moment?
फैन मोमेंट्स भी थे. एक मुझे याद है, पहले मैं स्टेज से बहुत कूदता था.
अच्छा, हाँ.
है ना, मुझे वो फोटोज के एंगल्स बहुत अच्छे लगते थे जहाँ मैं कूद रहा हूँ और पीछे क्राउड है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मैं एक शो कर रहा था गोवा में और आई डिड द सेम. आई जंप्ड एंड आई एंडेड अप लैंडिंग ऑन द मॉनिटर एंड देन आई हैड अ लिगामेंट टेयर. तो 8 महीने के लिए मेरा ये जो स्टाइल
इतना भारी पड़ा था?
भारी, बहुत ज़्यादा भारी पड़ा. उसके बाद आज है कि यार मैं कभी कूदने वाला नहीं हूँ. मैं अभी जब भी आप देखोगे, अगर मैं कभी भी स्टेज पे चढ़ता हूँ, लेकिन फिर मैं नीचे बहुत आराम से आता हूँ. सो आई डोंट लेट माई एक्साइटमेंट टेक ओवर माई एक्ट. पहले माई एक्साइटमेंट यूज्ड टू टेक ओवर माई एक्ट कंप्लीटली.
No, I've seen you drive also. You
ऊपर चढ़ जाता था.
and that energy, there's a lot of energy in you. What about a fan moment? Have you had any funny or a beautiful fan moment?
I've had nice, good fan moments also. Where I've had Down syndrome people coming and appreciating me, you know.
Oh, how sweet.
And I really adored that. I remember a couple of shows, lot of shows actually, you know, where I've had them coming in and meeting me, and you know, they're so pure and they're like kids, you know, between the age of 3 to 7, inquisitive, curious, fun, no negative attitude. They're such nice, good people. So that has made me feel, that made me, you know, कि यार मुझे और अच्छा करना है, you know. कुछ चीज़ें हो जाती है ill moments जो मुझे unethical लगते हैं, you know, when there are a lot of, sometimes when the girls just come, पहले नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता था when I was single, but हाँ अब फ़र्क पड़ता है when I'm married, you know, when they come and let's take a picture, तो मैं थोड़ा सा uncomfortable होता हूँ कि नहीं, थोड़ा सा दायरे में, you know, as I told you कि I would, the way I see it as कि if my wife is doing something like that and if some guys are coming in, I wouldn't like it the same way she wouldn't like it, you know. So I think the balance between personal and professional needs to be on point, which comes with age, I guess.
If not a DJ and an actor, what you would have pursued?
I don't know, maybe a talent manager.
Okay, have you ever dated a fan?
Never.
Never. You never felt like...
Never.
Never.
I think I've kept that very ethical.
Okay. Who's one artist you'd like to collaborate with?
Who's one artist who I'd like to collaborate with? Hamza. I'm in talks with him. Let's see.
Okay. And which is that one city you love performing? You love the audience?
Bombay, I love it. It's my hometown.
Okay.
You know, it's always a pleasure to do gigs here. But then I think Hyderabad, yeah. Goa, yes, because Goa में आपको पूरे इंडिया से लोग आते हैं, तो बहुत मजा आता है गोवा में परफॉर्म करने.
So what's one thing you absolutely cannot leave home without before heading to a gig?
My pen drive, my headphone, nothing else. But yeah, my shades. I am very used to. I like wearing shades. मतलब मैं कहता हूँ यार मेरा style लो, you know. But then also because I don't want to have eye contact with a lot of people. That's the reason why I wear shades.
Okay. What advice would you give to young talents looking out or, you know, making in the industry?
I think कि don't you go for shortcuts, है ना. Now there is way too much competition currently. Probably 10 साल पहले जब हमने शुरू किया था इतना competition नहीं था, पर venues और opportunities भी कम थी. आज opportunities भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So don't think of extreme shortcuts, you know, and focus on you know, having your playlist, keep reworking on your playlist, you know, keep listening to other artists. Don't get into those lines कि यार मेरा ओनर मेरा दोस्त है, मैं तो आराम से शो कर ही लूँगा भाई, उसके बाद क्या, you know. It's like it doesn't make sense, you know, to get into or to encourage you know, nepotism in DJing type of a scenario. Don't think कि अरे मेरे पास सारे अमीर दोस्त हैं, मैं tables ले लूँगा. Don't think कि अरे मैं table लेके set play कर लूँगा. You know, उन सब से कुछ नहीं होगा लाइफ में. It will just be, you're just wasting your time and energy. But rather focus on creating something exciting, you know, listening to a lot of international music, as well as Indian music, knowing what is coming naturally to you and effortless to you. You know, don't think यार मैं उसका style copy करता हूँ, मैं उसका style copy करता हूँ, उसका style copy करता हूँ. Don't try to be a copy. Try to get something originality, but keep it simple and classy.
So are you an early bird? Do you wake up early? What's your routine like?
Oh, I want to be.
What do you do to unwind?
What do I do? Unwind.
When
I
you're not DJing.
I play with my pets.
Okay.
I told you, right? I have 12
Yes,
cats.
yes.
They all stray.
Yeah.
I have 2 dogs. They both are stray. I sometimes like me and my wife, हम कभी रात को ड्राइव पे जाते तो हम कुत्ते बिल्लियों का खाना लेके जाते, और हमें लगता है कि कोई ऐसा है तो हम दे देते.
How sweet.
You know, तो I think when I am not DJing or when I am not working, I like to involve myself in doing more humanity things, because I feel कि it really flushes all the negative energy coming to me, is what I have realized.
Okay. Are you an early bird? Do you wake up early?
Oh no, yeah.
No, what time
I
do you
sleep
wake
at
up?
4, 5. I get up at 2. My hours
2 in
are
the afternoon?
2 in the afternoon. You know,
Wow.
I so want to come to a early routine, पर होता ही नहीं है यार, नहीं होता है, because I want to listen to a lot of new music in the night when there is silence, you know, because then there are no calls, there are no messages, there's no disturbance, you know. So I want to give that much time, night time to music. I want to come in the mornings, but नहीं हो पाता है.
Yeah, but so what is the different another genre you listen to? Like a lot of DJs, they listen to different genre music so that they feel a little relaxed before they gig. Right? Do you have it? Because you are overdoing it, right? You said 7-8 hours of listening to music.
Correct.
There'll be a point, obviously, you are hampering
No, I went to
your
an
health.
ENT doctor.
Are
मैं ये
you
भी बात
having any health issues beyond this?
I am. In fact, my doctor, ENT doctor, has strictly told me you cannot go beyond 3 hours in a day. So then now I'm cutting. So I have these earplugs so that 40% sound is reduced and all of it. A lot of artists get issues as such. So the doctor also suggested me कि 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा आप normal volume के नीचे 50% के नीचे आप सुनो. Otherwise it's gonna cause problem.
No, but once this is gone, it's gone, Ali.
I know,
It's not going to.
I know.
So you have to focus on that,
I
right?
do.
Yeah. Okay, what are the things people don't know about the pros and cons of becoming a DJ? I know you're tired, but
no,
I want to
not
ask
at
you
all.
these
I'm
questions.
absolutely open. Pros and cons of becoming a
Like,
DJ.
what are the challenges which come when you become a DJ? Like बहुत सारे newcomers होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, small cities में होते हैं. They just look at it as a very glamorous profession. Wow, there's alcohol, there's glamour, there are women, there are
Right,
young guys, there's
right.
party music, right?
Correct.
A lot of health issues as
For
you're
sure.
facing.
For sure.
Lifestyle issues.
100%.
What are the other challenges a DJ has to face?
Firstly, to make it, making it as a DJ, making it known is the biggest challenge. और हर जगह एक steps होते हैं कि first you make it, उसके बाद breaking it is like one mistake, one wrong move, one thing that your excitement makes you do, which you will regret. Regarding women around, the ideologies, the thought processes, if you don't have that controlled, you will never have a good personal life. Most of the DJs don't have a good personal life, which we've seen. Very few are married and happy. So I feel ki all these good gestures and good things and all these इस पे अगर ज़्यादा ध्यान दोगे rather than control your excitement, अपने nerves पे काबू रखना सीखो. Don't let anyone take you for granted. Don't have that अरे भाई कैसे हो भैया आप don't have that pleasing attitude. Be normal. If you're skillful, if you're talented, काम तो बहुत है यार.
There's a trend right now on social media, the social media DJs.
हाँ.
Right? What do you think about that? I mean, is it really fair and justified? They have millions of followers.
They do.
I'm sure they have more followers than what you
100%.
have or I have.
Of course.
So, what do you have to say on that? Are those the real artists? जो बैठकर बस ऐसे कर देंगे and they're doing all of that and people are just loving it.
I just feel ki they're good for Instagram. They're good for social media. To be honest, I have not yet heard any of them live.
But do you know it exists, right?
I know it exists. I know a lot of people have blown up because of Instagram, and it's good for them. But I also see that there is not a lot of repeat shows. So the point is कि आप social media को आप बहुत अच्छे से use कर पा रहे हो. Fantastic. I'm not able to do it. But then at the end of the day, the real audience is the live audience. और अगर आप वहाँ पे आप कुछ कर पाओगे, then there'll be respect. And अगर आप सिर्फ ये करोगे तो आप रिस्पेक्ट अर्न नहीं कर रहे हो, आप ट्रेंड में आ रहे हो. तो आप पे डिपेंड है कि आप ट्रेंड में रहना चाहते हो या रिस्पेक्ट कमा के अपनी लेगेसी बनाना चाहते हो. तो दैट इज ऑल दैट पर्सनस कॉल.
According to you, what advice would you give to someone who wants to become a DJ? What is the right way of becoming a DJ? Like join an academy. What are the steps in becoming a DJ?
I feel सबसे पहले तो एक अपना रोल मॉडल ढूंढो. आप किसकी तरह बनना चाहते हो, आप या किसकी तरह नहीं, मतलब कौन आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है, किसका म्यूजिक आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है, किसका स्टेज प्रेजेंस आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है, किसका सोशल मीडिया आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है ना, और किसका जॉनर आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है. आई थिंक इफ यू get your answers to these 4 questions, then you start preparing yourself and first learn the entire DJing skill
Okay.
You know कि यार टेम्पोज पहले तो समझो कि कितने जॉनर्स कितने सब जॉनर्स हैं. You know, learn the history of DJing. From in India, what is the trend? बाहर कहाँ से, you know, US में कहाँ से आया DJing, कितने equipments थे, you know, कितने consoles थे, क्या कहाँ से evolvement हुई है. पहले तो बहुत difficult था यार, हमारे टाइम पे तो easy हो गई ये चीज़ें. You know, so have your bank, create your catalog really well. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. You know, I've seen a lot of newcomer DJs. मैं मेरे खुद के पास बहुत सारे लोग आए थे शुरुआत में. यार हमें भी करना है, कैन यू हेल्प मी? I'm like ठीक है, सीख लो, मेरे से कुछ गाइडेंस चाहिए मैं दे देता हूँ. फिर 10-20 दिन बाद देख रहा हूँ शो चल रहा है, ओके, लेकिन फिर बाद में कोई शो ही नहीं मिल रहा है. यू नो, सो आई जस्ट फील कि एक्साइटमेंट को कंट्रोल में रखो, एंजाइटी को कंट्रोल में रखो. यू नो, और जितना आप स्किल को सीखोगे और आसपास के लोगों को सीखोगे, सोशल मीडिया, यू नो, एंड ट्राई टू अडेप्ट देम एंड मेक योर ओन यूनिक स्टाइल. सो या डिफिकल्ट है पर हो जाएगा.
What's your favorite venue you performed?
To perform?
Yeah.
Oh my
To
god.
perform or you've performed?
As a nightclub?
Yeah.
Or open arena?
Nightclub.
Nightclub, Prism, Hyderabad.
Prism, Hyderabad.
I think it gives me great, you know, it's huge audience. I've done 2 of my New Year's over there. So yeah, I think मजा आता है वहाँ.
Yeah? What's your dream lineup? If I had to tell you, pick up 3 artists and your dream lineup, who would those 3 artists be?
In DJing?
Yes.
In Bollywood?
Singers as well. Like say you've performed with Guru Randhawa. I mean, there's always a dream lineup, you know, कि मैं इस singer के साथ या इस DJ के साथ perform करना चाहता हूँ.
Diljit, yeah. Diljit. I've done one show where I had the opportunity to open him. Oh my God, I've seen army वाले लोग buses में आ रहे हैं for his show. Yeah, I have never seen such dedicated, genuine fan following और सब enjoy कर रहे हैं. I have not seen that, and what he's doing is tremendous. So, you know, I think if I get a chance to open him again, I would love to.
How many times have you performed?
For once.
Once.
Just once.
When was this?
2020
Okay.
in Mahalakshmi, in BKC, MMRDA grounds.
Okay, so we've discussed your new venture, as you said.
Ji.
Is there anything else you're working on besides that, or your focus is just?
Well, I think I'm working on a lot of things. I'm working on getting a lot of Bollywood songs out.
Okay.
You know, a lot of film songs are also going to be coming in 2025. Lot of electronic music in Sama, in Ila. That's my alter ego. That is also going to be coming in.
Okay.
So I am very excited
There's
for.
a lot you're doing.
And the
Ali.
film is also coming in. So I think 2025 is going to be like probably the best of me coming ahead with my things. So I hope people like it and they see the hard work in it. और पता है एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत बुरी लगती है इंडियन डीजेस के अंदर कि यार जब भी कोई अच्छी चीज़ करता है अप्रिसिएशन नहीं होती है, इनसिक्योरिटी होती है. यू नो, मैं भी अभी कभी कभी है ना इन्हीं के वजह से बदलने लगा हूँ और मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है पर मुझे बदलना पड़ रहा है. मेरी ये आदत थी कि मैं अगर किसी के शो में जा रहा हूँ और मुझे वो अच्छा लग रहा है या मुझे उसका कोई गाना अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं कमेंट्स में डाल देता हूँ कि यू नो ब्रो लव्ड इट. मुझे पता है सामने वाला देख भी रहा है मेरी स्टोरीज, लेकिन अरे मैं कैसे बोलूँ यार ये बेटर है. मुझे पता है बेटर है. आई डोंट नीड एनीवन्स जस्टिफिकेशन, यू नो, बिकॉज प्रॉबेबली माई मेंटोर इज साजिद भाइया, you know, and he's the greatest music directors of all time. So my every song I end up showing it to him, sharing with him, कुछ ना कुछ उनसे गाइडेंस लेते रहता हूँ. मेरे पास है बहुत सारे टॉप नॉच लोग, तो मुझे लगता है कि यार ये इसको मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा था, है माई रॉन्ग, ओके यू नो व्हाट, चक इट, आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. एंड माई वाइफ ऑल्सो गेट्स एंग्री, क्यों तुम जाते हो, तुम क्यों सपोर्ट करते हो, तुम्हारा गाना आया इसने कुछ कमेंट किया, इसने ये किया, मैं बोला हाँ पॉइंट है.
But you know what?
So I feel very low of this type of a mindset और बुरा लगता है.
Community, right?
It's a
Very
very-
important
it's a very-
thing.
it's a
DJing
very-
is a supportive community. You think so?
It's not.
Because
It's
in US,
not. They
and
are.
in Europe, they
are.
support.
That is why Indo Warehouse
They
is doing so
support.
good because they're
Yeah.
supporting. They were residents.
Yeah.
You know, obviously we all know their backstories and everything. The way they came up, the way
Yeah.
they put in the effort, the way everybody came in to support. If internally आप में support नहीं रहेगा, तो audience को आप cheat नहीं कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
आप अकेले मतलब आप उस लेवल पे भी नहीं हो कि आप शाहरुख खान की लेवल
So
तक
this
पहुंच
support
सको.
you're talking about in India,
In
right?
India, in
so
India.
you think the DJ community is a little weak over here? We're
It's
supporting.
very delusional and they are in denial. They don't want to be honest. I feel कि they just few of them are good, you know, like they appreciate DJ. A lot of them Akhtar Bhai and you know, lot of, but बाकी सारे लोग मुझे लगता है कि they don't want to accept that the other person is doing something good. उनको लगता है अरे ये रेस से आगे चले गया तो अरे ये रेस से आगे चले गया अब छोड़.
They will stalk you,
They will
but
stalk
they
you.
will not
They will not appreciate you,
or
but they
like.
want all the appreciation.
They will play your music.
Yes.
And they said they know Ali Merchant has come out with a very good remix.
हाँ.
I'll have to play that, but they will never give you the
Exactly.
credit. How
So
sad
I
is
feel
that?
very low कि यार
How
ये,
sad.
you know,
While you go out of the way
like,
to
you know,
support them.
when I was in the reality show Lock Up, okay, जहाँ पे I don't know 5-6 करोड़ audience देख रही है रोज live, and I was obviously representing there as an actor, but I was known there as a DJ more. तो कंगना और जितने भी अरे यार DJ अली DJ, और मैं DJ कम्युनिटी को और चढ़ा रहा यार DJs बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो उनके लिए ये है. पर जब मैं बाहर आके जब मैं देखता था मेरे कमेंट्स और शेयर्स और सारी चीज़ें, आई हार्डली सॉ एनी डीजे सपोर्ट. तो आई फील कि यार रियली, यू नो, मैं अगर कल बिग बॉस चला गया है ना, तो मैं तो ये रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहूँगा कि यार हमारे डीजे सबसे ऊपर है.
But that's not
यू
the
नो,
truth.
चाहे कोई भी सामने हो, चाहे कोई टेलीविजन का हो, चाहे कोई यूट्यूबर का हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी को ऊपर ले जाना चाहता हूँ. लेकिन मैं अकेले क्या करूँगा जब बाकी की जो कम्युनिटी वाले वही इनसिक्योरिटी में मर रहे, अरे नहीं अली हमसे आगे चला जाएगा. इतनी पेटी वाली चीज़ है. तो आई एम लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, चक इट मैन.
So
आई एम
you
हैप्पी
basically
विद
on
माय
your own.
डॉग्स एंड माय कैट्स.
So
आई
you're
थिंक
on your own.
आई एम ऑन
right
माय
now.
ओन.
On your own. I totally get what you're saying.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये चीज़ें चेंज होनी चाहिए, तो ही ग्रोथ होंगी, सभी के लिए होंगी. और
We should come together as a community, support each other, be
हाँ,
there for each
सिर्फ
other.
पार्टी करो, दारू
Yeah,
पियो, है ना, एक पार्टी रख लो जहाँ पे 100 लोग आते हैं, अपना फोटो लेते हैं ताकि वो एक दूसरे के साथ दिख जाए. हाँ, अली के बाजू में दिख जाओ तो शायद ये स्टोरी भी शेयर कर
Does
ले.
Akhil Talreja support you?
I never needed his support, to be honest. You know, I never needed anyone's support, to be honest. But probably he's been very nice to me, you know, and I've also been nice to him. We've always been that, you know, healthy type of a good relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah, कभी कुछ ऐसा नहीं था.
Lastly, is there a message you'd like to convey to your fans and to your viewers and listeners?
कि जितने भी लोग ये देख रहे हैं, प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड डू you know, share this podcast of Shilpi Sharma, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be here. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सारी बातों पे हमारी डिस्कशन हुई. बहुत सारे, शायद कुछ लोगों को बुरा भी लगा होगा कि मैंने उन्हें पॉइंट आउट किया. मेरा ओपिनियन मैंने दिया, पर आई थिंक मैं अपने एग्जाम्पल से ही दूसरों के ओपिनियन देता हूँ. एंड आई लव इट व्हेन पीपल आर ओपिनिएटिव
Yes.
rather than bitching about
Yeah.
them, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's more fun, it's more honest, it's more exciting. So बाकी क्या है, बाकी 2025 आ रहा है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही है, और सपोर्ट कीजिए, प्यार दीजिए और आगे बढ़ाइए.
Wow, what an incredible conversation we've had today. Ali has truly been an open book, sharing his journey with such honesty and humor. From his early days as an actor to his evolution into a powerhouse DJ. It's clear that he's someone who follows his heart and chases his passion relentlessly. To our amazing audience, Ali Merchant isn't just a name, it's a story of resilience, creativity, and reinvention. Whether it's lighting up our screens or setting the vibe on the dance floor, Ali continues to inspire us all with his energy and dedication. Ali, thank you so much for taking the time to join us on Ripple Reach. Your journey is truly fascinating, and we are so grateful you shared it with us. We are sure our listeners will be as captivated by your story as we've been. Wishing you all the best for your upcoming projects. You've definitely gained some new fans here today.
Thank you so much, and it's been an absolute pleasure. मैंने बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट गया हूँ, मैं बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट में गया हूँ, पर आई थिंक दिस वॉज डेफिनेटली वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, फन, ऑल्सो बिकॉज शिल्पी इज़ अ वेरी वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड, and as well as you know, she has she wants to inspire, और हम भी चाहते हैं, and I also want people to get inspired and learn maybe one or two things and use that in your life, and have a better life is what our intention is. So thank you for having me, and it was an absolute pleasure to
Thank
be
you so
on
much,
the
Ali.
Ripple Reach by DJ Shilpi Sharma.
I wish you all the best,
Thank you
know,
so much.
for your
Thank you.
future gigs and your new venture. I think you're going to go a long way.
Inshallah. Thank
the kind of person you are, so positive, so honest, and And to everyone listening, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the Ripple Reach podcast for more amazing conversations with incredible artists like Ali. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and spreading those good vibes. See you soon.